This is the Leo Arc sound.
Some boy, yes, they get dead tonight.
3 Grand Spin Road, alright?
Turn off them lights.
So,
hey, Mr. Undertaker, build them a couple. Whoa,
what?
Lord. No, my mistake. Make them two.
Big up Jim Brown, the original gymnastics. Yeah.
I'm on to one for them selector, one for them owner. Why?
Big up all Barbican crew in the house.
Why? Hey, set you one in.
Yo, tune in and keep the bar busy, see?
Set you one in. Leo Hawk in the down.
So what we say?
Them set you in. Leo Hawk come from the dancehall. Lord, you one in.
You think call a rubber dub Thursday?
No, even now.
So,
cause all the daughters keep skanking, and the man them keep rocking.
that's went inside.
Come deal it, father.
Original Barry Brown for you.
Booty bop, stilly bam bam. For you, yeah, I'm down the champion.
Early warm.
Look my balance, look what she say is going on. How many sound? I'll bet you that my Leo Hawk sound.
Original music from original sound, see?
The rubber dub sound, the talk of the down, Leo Hawk sound, the number one sound boy. Booty bang, Leo Hawk.
Now quench it.
Leo Hawk sound good. Gonna go and go to school. You want him to do?
So what we say?
Then you jump and then scratch, try to run away and then stumble. So they try to hide it, it's clear. Leo Hawk jump and some boy when they come in.
Remember, like come on, artist galore saying.
And then scratch, try to run away and then stumble. So they try to hide it, it's clear. Leo Hawk jump and some boy when they come in.
Big up Peter Metro, the veteran, see?
Some boy falling every day. Please stand below. Out in the dance, every sound and a meat and the heartache sound.
Now hear this.
Big deal. Leo Hawk run the play through boy body like steel. Watching the Jubilee and the whole of grand spell. Luciano, messenger the Kabbalah attack.
Yo!
Run it pon them Leo Hawk.
Leo Hawk.
Son boy lock off. I want him to you. Leo Hawk is the chief of staff. And when him a kill sound him no laugh. Victory is mine.
I think all the
Leo
victory.
Hawk rule over time.
Original dancehall Thursday win already. So,
Yes, I climb the mountain and swing.
big up teach another. Pull up that tune of my youth. Big up teach them at the house for real. Can you bring back some artists on the platform and tell us a whole heap of memory. Jano, we appreciate
You come to with that too for the big sound Leo Hawk.
Leo Hawk! Pop it off again, it's getting ugly around a son boy neck. Big deal. Leo Hawk run the play through boy body like steel. Watching the Jubilee and the whole of grand spell. Luciano, messenger the Kabbalah attack.
Run it
Now
pon
Peter
them Leo
Metro,
Hawk.
Star.
Son boy lock off. I want him to you. Leo Hawk is the chief of staff.
Yes, try
When him a kill sound him
team.
no laugh.
Put things from people, why?
Victory is mine.
Lord God,
Leo
Luciano.
Hawk rule over time.
Next week when they are Nick Grill.
Over time.
See there, Nick Grill. You.
Yes, I climb the mountain and swim the deepest sea. Searching for my someone, Leo Hawk sound to play for me. How is it taking so long for sounds to pack and go out?
Brian Hart in the place. Drop it. Bring it. All over. Leo. Bring it. Leo. Yeah.
Ragamuffin, Leo, you a murderer.
Pull up that. Yo. Bad sound. Reaching out to all the people in here. New York, England, Canada, America. Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Hi, Mike. Murder.
Where's the party roots? Raga.
Ragamuffin, you a murderer. Ragamuffin, Jimilio, your big boat, yeah. Ragamuffin, try 13, your last boat, yeah. Ragamuffin, you are
bad artist.
Leo can do it.
Ragamuffin,
so down, son, Jimmy.
Hey!
Only Leo can do it.
Try 13, your body. And show off.
Hey!
Yeah.
Only try 13 can do it. Kill all the idiots, son, Jimmy.
Yes, man.
Now we the big the band up, sit down the dance them now.
Boom a jump.
I'm good try 30.
No ice cream, no ice cream, no ice cream, no ice cream sound.
Bad sound I play out a grand spin.
I don't want no ice cream sound.
Put it up.
Yo,
what you try 30, you know, it's a show off. You play tune from your little boy till now, so you're bad. Drop it for them, and Johnny has burned this. If they are, man, in a Jamaica, man. Play that tune.
You don't know Johnny has burned the dancehall Godfather from Jamaica. You don't know. A Leo Ark song with the Leo Ark crew saying.
Family Barbers,
13.
5 to
Jimmy
10
Leo
Mississauga.
To the world, Johnny has burned the dancehall Godfather.
Yo.
Say that.
Baba drop. Teach them. I want to see this funny thing, you know.
No ice cream.
Hey.
No ice cream. No ice cream sound boy. I don't want no ice cream sound. That is too soft for me. I don't want no ice cream sound. That is soft, can't you see? I want a sound that can kill a little thing, but in a sound crash. And that is why I say Leo Ark of the roughest and the toughest sound.
Nice.
You know that Leo Ark of the roughest and the toughest sound.
Back sound
boy. I don't want no one dub sound. Whoever clash with Leo Ark, no way.
Got the box, Jonah Pinchas. Don't pass the line. Tell him, son. It is murder.
Oh, this.
Oh, don't pass the line.
I Pinchas this, watch ya.
Enemies, only a borderline.
Whoa.
Come on, country, them a plan.
Yeah.
Enemies, it will be murder time.
I'm not telling the man.
Hear me now, pay the fine. Enemies, only a borderline. Line.
Our Pinchas, them man, sure.
Line. Enemies, it will be murder time.
Listen.
Hear me now, when me see one of them come.
Yeah. Yo. With the bet with the pamper, put that with the my sponsor. You should know. Anyway.
Fabulous, yo.
We told them how many morning on a get up one day. Well, thankfully, you have to see your shining day. Yes, them for those say Leo Ark will try 13. And so me I say everything is everything. Yes, them for those say Rastafari love Leo Ark sound. Yes, them for those say so stay. Yeah.
Here the commissioner of police, he said a DJ, him have him head screw on.
You should
more
know.
than enough of them will come here. Zero Fabulous, drop it.
We told them how many morning on a get up and pray. Well, thankfully you have to see your shining day.
Not one.
Everybody shout it away. And some selector want to go feed them out now way, but we say cola. One of the drop it, well heap of them attack, but some are false prophet. Them hold the plate, but we hold the angle. Some well good must conquer evil. So what? Everybody look and listen. Well sword, you know me and will shine and a glisten. Ready no figure fight any buckle. You arc we back it if no not the devil. What about me from the iniquity them with them trouble. Shout it out loud. That's up on the double.
Some can't find a dub box. Let me tell you. Can't find the reason.
New York we gone. Johnny.
So nice.
Johnny.
Can't find the reason.
Whoa.
We're gonna play this, the play twice.
Why?
Now I'm creeping your body.
Pull up that kid. Yeah, yo. You saw me hear that try 13. Remember Skateland. Remember Osa Leo. When them junior play and Jara play them junior, you better in a Skateland. Drop that junior again, try.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're tuned to the best.
Leo Oak sound in a class by itself. Yeah, you don't know.
I don't know, here's a house of Leo walking back.
I tried 30.
Stone Love gone back in a house of Leo. I'm not going to hear it over the radio. Original dancehall come back again. Everything will come back.
Some boys say them can't find this, them can't find that, them can't find them dub, them can't find them hot.
Yeah.
Can't find them dub back. Let me tell you.
Watch out for house of Leo. It's open up back soon. Listen.
Leo Oak play so nice. Can't find the reason. We're gonna play this, the play twice. Now I'm craving your body. Feel it's real, temperature's rising. I don't wanna feel I'm in the wrong place to be real. Oh, and I'm longing to love you just for a night.
Yeah.
Kissing and hugging and holding you tight. Everywhere you see your heart.
Wow.
Sound clap.
Culture we gone. Yo. Big up. Yo, yeah, you may drop it down, man. Drop it down, man.
Son boy asleep.
Our culture this way, they are true the way we do every day.
No time to waste. Try 13 German. Jimmy Leo. Algebra is on the line. Mr. Culture, the original Leo Hawk crew. Step
Leo Hawk, big bad champion, sound culture, they alive.
Put things for people here. Them know you. Try 13. You think you come here for play? Turn it up on them.
Sure.
Boom.
Everywhere you see Leo Hawk,
Whoa.
you want sound clash, sound boy run away. Everywhere you see Leo
You see Joshy him grew up on that sound here, don't it? Joshy. Yo.
Everywhere you see Leo Hawk, you want sound clash.
Let me not tell you, man.
Everywhere you see Leo Hawk, you want sound clash.
Watch it.
Monday morning come, the sound boy absent.
Hey.
You are playing with a serious sound.
I wish so.
Yes. Leo Hawk will show you that.
Hey, listen to Junior.
Leo Hawk is so serious.
Jesus Christ.
Dangerous and dangerous.
Try, oh, you're so bad, man.
He's only in this sound. You know I put mattress.
Whoa.
Jimmy Leo is
Serious.
cantankerous and dangerous.
Them and I telling the man.
All over the world, every sound is in a heated rush. It's not everything good to eat, good
Main focus record, Grand Spend.
sound guy after dark.
Bad sound out of Grand Spend.
Can talk, eat and drink with you. Pretend as if they are with you, but I won't let no sound harm we.
Yes.
Leo Hawk would rather harm everyone.
Yes, man.
But when you think it's peace and safety, is a sudden destruction.
Why?
When I feel in your body, you find somebody who makes you change your ways, like hanging with your toes.
Yes, man.
Since you act like you're ready, but
Put things man people try.
everything in your pocket, you wanna let it go. Been there, done it, comes around.
Hey, pull it up.
All that.
Hold it. Big up all of the European them were there. All European big up on yourself. Rubber up turns and love on and respect on her. And Leo can play all of the people over there. Do me a big summer on. Just go to the bar and go support them, man. Remember, you know, I'm free if you come in. If it's even a water, it can help pay the bill. Please, support the bar, me I beg you now. Please, turn it up again, Leo.
Leo Hawk, one step at a time, one step at a time.
Come on, me have to go line up a clash for you, you know, Leo.
The notorious bar
Bad
line.
song.
Right now, this is algebra. Try 13 and
1, 2, Jermaine and try 13 crew. I, Jimmy Leo, you know what I mean? Saying Leo and cool, you know what I mean? Put up for down, for all Leo ladies.
Big up Gully Bop up a Grand Spend. Enough rumor spread pan a youth. But let me tell you something. Hey!
When I feel in your body, you find somebody who makes you change your ways, like hanging with your toes. Since you act like you're ready, but you don't really know. Everything in your path, you wanna let
Hear the keyboard.
Been there, done it, humps around. After all that, this is what I found.
Hey!
Nobody wants to be alone.
Yes, man.
If you're touched by the Leo Hawk sound, and baby, you got it bad. When you on the phone, hang up and you go.
Some like when dub play sound have life in it, don't it?
When you miss a date without your friend, your whole life's off track. You know you got it bad when you stuck in the house. You don't wanna have fun. It's all you think about. You got it bad when you out with someone, but you keep on thinking about somebody. You got it bad. When I say that you love him, you don't really know. Everything used to matter, it don't matter.
Yeah, the man.
Like my money or my car, you
Oh, you cut that dub here.
flowers, cotton candy, and just unfortunate.
You know, sir, Exodus who cut that dub here.
Girl, wanted to know, but really I told you, all my people.
Father Romy, you know, sir, yes, studio, them cut that dub here.
Can help me sing my songs, you know I'm your girl, and you're my. So I miss to love you the best I can. Say I'm your,
And you're my Leo Walk sound gonna kill them. No, I said I've been there, done it, come around. After all that, this is what I found. Nobody wants to be alone.
Hey!
If you're touched by the Leo Walk sound, then baby, you got it back. When you on the phone,
pull up that. Try 13, you're bad. I'm glad you come represent for Grand Spen. Because when you represent for Grand Spen, you represent for Josh, the young artist. Because I grew up around that sound here. And Gully Bop. Now found to hear some rumor about Gully Bop. Don't listen to them. I know everything you hear on internet where people are saying about people not for believe. Gully Bop just kick back so up a Grand Spen. You don't notice, you don't see him, boy. Yeah? Seeing? Don't listen to the rumors, them. False. Drop that tune, yeah. He might go come one night down to see him.
Leo Arca champion sound, and if it this Grand Spen right, I know we are gonna run you out of town.
Hey!
You want to eat it sound.
Careful,
and don't you know, Leo Arca no clown. And don't you know, son of boy can't take away throne and them can't wear we crown.
Final.
Leo Arca kill off every idiot sound. I'm gonna say Leo Arca, I'm gonna say watch out. I'm gonna say Jimmy Leo with them I deal with. Hey, you're gonna try 13.
Final. Careful, John.
Big tune and play.
Bad song.
Say Leo Arca we govern the way.
Okay, the bar gonna lift it up there, so. And the artist, yeah.
I'm gonna tell them watch out. So many son will have to suffer. Well, the person boy have to die. Ask the Leo Arca.
Why?
Now ask Capleton why.
Give me a lighter for Capleton.
That one your name. You know coffin and prepare to die. Who rise against the they shall show the time.
Yo.
You know coffin and
Sure, man. Drop it, man. You know who this? How much of the place last week? Jump.
And then me can't take the blum ratatata blam blam.
Boy, Leo. Try 13. You represent for your brother sound. See me? Want the world see me now. I'm named Try 13. Yeah, man, Leo, put things on people. You do a great work. Where the man say mackerel?
Well, Try 13. Me and your brother have 1 foot alike. I'm a real friend that. Big up yourself and bless up Father Leo. Zane, people, Leo, the original.
Run it, Metro Media, with the original Sky Juice. Remember, tonight is a tribute to Dennis Brown. And a whole heap of artists there. And I'm going to touch a one song for Dennis Brown. Zane, run it!
Wow. Come on now, Metro.
Everybody so Metro. Hear this.
Metro's having a party tonight.
Selector. Hold it.
Come on.
Leroy Simmons not the place. Zane. And all of the artists them. Remember the kitchen. Remember the bar. Because you know, so we love what we are doing. See? We not do it for money because we not charge to come in. So we just want to support the bar because it make the thing run. And support the kitchen. Now easy teach them and the crew. Run it! Yeah. Dennis Brown.
Come on now. Metro.
Love reggae music.
Metro.
Oh, you man!
Oh,
hear this.
Metro's having a party tonight.
All right.
And everything will be alright. Come on, everybody.
Oh, easy, Marlon. Out of young blood.
It's time that we should have some fun. And Metro's gonna kill us down tonight.
All of the massive there.
And Metro's gonna kill us down tonight. Yeah.
Easy, Sky Juice.
Time is short.
Easy, Archive.
Yeah. Let's live the life the best we can. Don't try to make yourself
selector. Because you know, sir, when I start the show, you know, say, I'm here at the warm-up party. See? Now easy, young blood. What tell them say? This is no idiot party. Right, you know what this a dancehall party. And this a dance tonight and everybody irate. What me say? And if you love it and you love it, ball forward. And if you happy and you love it, ball. Hold it! Because we're going to start the original thing and so we do it. Warm and easy. We are having a dancehall tonight. Crowd of people, we want to come in at the dance tonight and feel alright. Yes, we have to live some life before we old. Yes, we have to live some life before we get old. Cause it's not idiot party. Right, you know a dancehall party. We come tonight we make and everybody irate. Tonight me tell you we are true celebrity. So I'm say, because me no look, me no joke, me no rap, because nice the corner. The lyrics on me mouth, you know say me a danger. The mic in me and you know say me no stranger. Me reach up, me start read up, me cleaner. And easy major mackerel, we are entertainer. Me no look, me no joke, me no rap, nice up the ear. This is no idiot party. Right, I know what every hold it. Where man has to be some up?
Yes, my people, welcome again. Welcome to Original Dancehall Thursdays. A rubber dub party, you know. So watch this. Hey! When I know that shit, man, again, me bucket have a chin, me no laugh when you talk, me will go to bar to the joke, man, I make man a break up your neck, me no boy, you look, me bucket have your foot, not tell you, and I'll be with you, go to your... Pull up! How where the man has a father metro? See?
How we are doing? Force it for me. Where are you? About the Madman Party. It named the Mad Guys Party. About the Bellevue Party. We never hear about the Bellevue Party. Me say them keeping a dance, me say out of Bellevue. Distinguished gets it from the Madman crew. Me say it a madman a drink some enkel glue. I wear 2 paper bag, I say I him shoe. A madman come in with name Guan. A pair big stone, sure. Pull up that. Pull up that. I wanna get me involved in that. I tell you say a host, me come here for host. Mackerel number draw me out, you know. For the roots. Take piece of the root.
I've got to get myself together. Well, can't afford to let my baby go. You know, wherever the sun comes shining, and my sisters they all smiling. No one ain't crying. My people aren't dying. We are living in the love of the Father, living in the house of the Almighty. Yeah. If Dennis Brown was here, Crown Prince of Reggae, no, this is for the roasted day. I've got to get myself together. Well, can't afford to let my baby go. You know, wherever the sun comes shining, and my sisters they all smiling. No one ain't crying. My people aren't dying. We are living in the love of the Father, living in the house of the Almighty. Yeah. Living in the love of the Father, living in the house of the Almighty. Yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. You are one people. The days of destruction will never be. Oh no, not I'm too a wise man to see. Yes, the fool thinks they knows it all, so just say that they stumble and fall. They go down for a reason. Jah is giving them a beating. To the foundation, they'll have to go down. To the foundation, shut them down. To the foundation, they'll have to go down. Metro.
Pull it up. Pull it up. Yes, for the roads. I love how you put things from people. Now he comes. And then the Master Blaster played by the King Song called Metro Media International. Along with a man called O'Neill Famous, Major Mackerel and I'm Peter Metro. Here comes the man called Michael Palmer.
I'm loving it. To the bone.
We kill ourselves now.
Palmer dog, Maxi Avenue.
Kill us on Sky Juice, kill us on Sky Juice, kill us on now.
When they? Big belly man. When they? When they? Pull up. The baddest selector in the world. I'm gonna take back my talk. Every one of them come for life. In the 80s, everybody used to depend. As it move along nice and easy. Entrance are the one called Frankie Paul. Sky Juice come change that. And the world follow Sky Juice. He was the first selector come on the pod. You see that one here? When we play the Dennis Brown here? And the world follow him. Him first. Check the history. No boy before Sky Juice. Who now use 3 turntable, 2 turntable and a pair pretty vice. Everybody come after Sky Juice. Check the reality. Big belly man, Sky Juice.
Right. Well, massive. It's him not telling you he run the street, you know. Anyway, we reach the life, you know, Peter Metro here. He have something to do with my career too. It's my friend next friend to only the famous, the whole of them youth here. It's my writer now, long live Oliver. I'm going to lock down Rona tonight. Where's my wife there? I'm going to lock down Rona. I'm going to lock down Rona. So I'm going to lock down Rona. My writer, I'm going to teach you. Tune, press play.
Match wagon is.
Ease up, hold it, Mr. Selector. You see a tune now? A Dennis Brown birthday. The plan is from today, so I come tonight, we'll give you a segment of Dennis Brown. This one they get to the man who have them real brethren, them real friends. Tune! What's it doing? Listen!
Fighting your brothers every day.
Ease up! Hold it! Where if he ease up? Where if he's a Peter Richard says, I'm my teacher? Well, if he's from my 80s, I play them tune here. And bring me right and Oliver. Because when I can river, I teach them to play them tune here. Tune! I'm right on this. Ease up. Every good man need a good woman. So you have hard times, just talk to your woman. That's why I can't leave my wife, Sister Dolly, saying, don't stop fighting, don't give up. Just go ahead and pray. And you must make it alive. Who God bless? Sister Dolly, God bless you. Tune. Ease up. Let me just start playing sound of the 80s. Now Peter Mitchell, Peter Mitchell says, Sky Juice, know yourself, you know. One day, you're going to make it in a life. One day, you see it? I start to the world. It's when I tell you, everything I tell you, when I chat them here, they say I chat too much. And 19 passport me done. Right now, we are learning for Africa right now. Line up, we are learning for Africa, I'm a selector. Run through me, selector.
Money in my pocket, but I just can't.
Ease up. You see it? No boy can play tune like me. I'm going to teach him to play sound. I saw me jar tune. We don't come in the dance country about girl this and girl that. Ask them. When me jar tune at night time, girl want to go home and sex them man. You them tune. Ease up. Me don't know. Me don't know. Me don't go to high school. But me don't know how some man no love woman. How some man no love woman. Eh? All the man them who love woman 2 years. Who love woman. You see my wife, me no stop calling Sister Dolly. We play a tune if me have the whole world, me not give you everything. Me buy your house already. If you want to play me buy you because you're a good woman. Me get strokes. And my wife, so me say me 2017, my husband, you come back good enough. We get strokes 2017, you know. And say my husband, you come back good in the world, just pray to God and see me. I told the world again, my wife, your man love you, husband, love you, tune! Them bad like me, bad like who me?
Took a walk and passed your house.
Ease up, Oliver. Don't tell me if no boy can play sound like me. Tell me if no boy can play sound. In Leroy Banks, tell me if no boy can play sound like Sky Juice. Shoot all like me, Oliver.
Pull up, Oliver. Hey, where do this ship, we make this ship can dock? Remember Errol shot up on that tune, eh? Remember? Poopa Dimes, yo! Billy the Kid, big up yourself. Juice, you're the baddest.
Ease up. Peter Michelle, my wife, Sister Dolly, drive go and dance, you know. I don't see nobody night, you know. And the crowd outside I dance and wait for me. And my son are playing about me against selector. I beg my wife drive me go down a wall up. And he said me outside. And he said me reach at the gate. Everybody outside the me he said me go in I dance. I'm in a DJ. People love me at Jamaica, you know. People, you see me go in I dance. At the first tune this picture. Then stay down. Yeah, see first tune, play it. First tune in the jar. Then spot down.
Oh no, no, hold on.
Easy. Good night, Luciano. See, I'm gonna what inspire me, huh? Him tell me long time, say, you'll be the baddest selector in the world. Luciano, see me? Them singing I rate me long time. The Sky Juice, you go and be the biggest selector in the world. Luciano tell me that long time, see me? Them gonna tell me, them gonna rate me, say me a real selector. Come up and play idiot tune. Luciano, them gonna rate me long time. See me body selector in the world. Easy. We do this thing at night and professionally. Everybody get them time. See me come as a general and say Sky Juice. We have a whole entertainer. Because we know you have to work as a general. But Peter Metro, where's the star?
Yo, we'll start the show here now. Sky Juice, come here, man. Come here. People, when you hear me talk, when you believe, do the research. You see that something here where you see Sky Juice are doing? Everybody come, all the Ricky troopers and everybody. Trooper say, other UTMC, Sky Juice. All who follow trooper come down the line. And the first youth this attack and I bring down tune. Them kind of way. So we have to honor him. Sky Juice, him are the king. Saying, a band change now. We're going to start the show here now. Big up Miss Babsy Grange. Because as she crowned him as a legend selector in the world where reggae music is concerned. This is Reggae Man. Minister Grange, big up yourself every time. Commissioner of Police, big up yourself. Superintendent from Alpha Tree, big up yourself. You're there with me. Our platform, decartelize, non-alkaline. You hear me, military man? Hold on the mackerel. Military man, you are the biggest thing in Jamaica right now. Because you carry the thing up there, sir. Which part? Capleton left it. Round the world, and nearly 1 million viewers you gone. And I'm not even 1 week now with a tune named Kingston. Bad artists, you get the opportunity now for record for any producer. Military man, you are the baddest.
But ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to present the first artist, the first guest for the night, Sister Althea Hewitt. Step up, mommy. The 4-3 sisters. Yeah, man. Yes, my people. The 4-3 sisters, you know. Zine Althea Hewitt. Zine Original Dancehall Thursdays. Welcome. Althea. Step up, mama.
Bless up. If I should stay, I would only be in your way. So I go, but I know I'll think of you every step of the way. And I will always love you. I will always love you. Greetings, bless up everybody in the house. It's nice to be here. Nice to be here. Pay night tributes to the one and only Dennis Emmanuel Brown. I feel good for the house. Thank you. Thanks, Peter Metro, O'Neill Famous, everybody in that. You don't know how I feel nice tonight. Drop it, man. Drop it. Oh, yeah. Oh, how can How will I do? Hey, how could I reach? How could I possibly go on? Oh, maybe you should say goodbye. Just like a rose, if you don't water it every morning, it withers and it dies. Oh, well, promise you won't leave me. Promise you won't hurt me. Promise you won't ever make me blue. And if you ever leave me, yeah, if you should desert me, baby, I don't know just what I'll do. I don't know. Sing it, just what I do. But yeah, you know, I really don't know. Oh, just what I'll do. Take it down, low, 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 yes. So we just got touch and go, because we have whole heap of artists on here, so. And I'm here as the only female artist representing all the wonderful people. My sacrifice, pick up yourself. There's a land that that's something I keep shot me. There's a land that I have heard about so far across the sea. Sing it. There's a land that I have heard about so far across the sea. I got drop one of my original because we don't just do cover songs. I have original too. Open my eyes this morning, I know that I am blessed. I wanna dance, I wanna sing, cause my heart is overflowing with joy, love, and happiness. There is so much things to say tonight at Dancehall Thursday. Just listen up, y'all. Hey, sons of birds singing, people walking by, happy smiling. Sometimes in life we rise and fall, yeah. Crazy time. There's no time to waste a bit. Living in your past, your future's here. Every day use your mind and your heart. I'm gonna be stronger. I'm a fighter, reaching, oh Lord, to where I've never been before. Bullets. So that's one of my original songs. What we have on it next? Trouble in the world and the world is gone mad. Too much trouble going on in the world. Trouble in the world and the world is gone mad. Ah boy, I say, look how long we've been talking about the troubles of humankind. About it, look. Around the world, people dying from war and disease, from genocide. We have to fight it, win or lose. Chemical wars are on the loose. World domination with question signs. Some wondering if it's the end of time. Poverty is on the rise. People talking in tongues of my, oh God. With all these deceiving news, it makes me feel so confused. Oh, I pray for those who need God's grace and love the most. We need a miracle and a shoulder to cry on. Whoa, what trouble, Lord. Nobody wants to be lonely. Hey, everybody needs a little bit of love, share it. With God, yo, we have the victory. A trouble, everybody come along and sing the chorus with me like this. Trouble in the world and the world is gone. Yeah. Got it. All right, so I'm gonna run the left, you guys. It was nice being here tonight. Oh, I do it again. It was nice Can't say me not go, better remember that. Me get 3 shock. A Dancehall Thursday. Listen, everybody. Bless up on yourself. It's nice being here. Drop the track. Drop it. Those schoolgirl days. Tell it, pull it. Yes. I dedicate that one to everybody here tonight. I would like good music, don't it? Those schoolgirl days of telling tales and biting nails are gone. But in my mind, I know they will. Taking you from crayons to perfume. It isn't easy, but I'll try. If you wanted a star, I would run across the sky later.
Cut it. Metro, you know, wheel up them tunes, man. Where are David? And what kind of joke thing? One more time from Top Queen. Bad like y'all.
Thanks for the support. Those schoolgirl days of telling tales and biting nails ago. But in my mind, I know they will still live on and on. But how do you think someone who has taken you from crayons to perfume? It isn't easy, but I'll try. But if you wanted a star, I'd run across the sky. That would so nice and big high to serve. Wait, what? Bless you now. Thank you so much.
Whoa! Yeah. Lucy, where you say? Where, put it. Altia, you with your bad. You're bad. Me love your vocal. Lucy, where you say?
No, man, that's a sure talent. People, how you feeling? Thank God Almighty truth, man. No real talent that. One more, man. Empress Altia, come up here, man. One more upon them, man. You see them talent here, you can't hide them talent here, man.
One more. All right. Now care me name, no spread no rumor, show me enough respect. The true me living, now they get to show me enough respect. Now care me name, no spread no rumor, show me enough respect. What? Enough respect. Hey, enough respect. Listen, this is a fact. Me have to confess to all of the woman, man, for due respect. Now you will just up in the latest and we wear fanciness. When you see whip on the street, the man them say, well, look. Hey, and every job man said them, listen. I have a good song to sing. It's all about good man them in the house. No, my name not run the rhythm. It's all about the good man them, man. We don't have no good song for no good man. Let me say all of the good man them in the house tonight. What the good man them there? Why? No, sir. No, man, Peter Metro. Come over here, sir. Mrs. Sky just come over and say, I mash up the place a while ago. You sound like a good man. Peter Metro, you're a good man.
Yeah, man. 9 youth me get, you know. Mine all of them. Straight. University, everything. Yeah.
So please tell the man that we're in the house, we feel like so them a good man. For put up them and be proud.
All of the man we are proud, Father. Give me a lion paw here. Give me a lion paw. Up there, up there, up there, up there. See it there? Yeah, man.
Listen, you say, I have this on the taxi rhythm. You have the taxi rhythm? Drop it. All right, so everybody come up here ride rhythm. I'm in a ride no rhythm. Mega ride a rhythm no phone. No. Zin. Me not like talking. Hello, listen me I talk. Me not like talk. But that's why you're music and singing and just drop the things and phone, see? All right. You got a fast car. I got a good man, good man. All right, listen. What a man, he's always on the move, working so hard, no bills overdue. Oh, when he kisses me goodbye, oh, I get to worry sometime. I hope I'm gonna see him later. Dear God, got him safely home. If I had listened to the gossip in the past, this love we share it wouldn't last. You captivate me, motivate me, elevate me. I'm celebrating you, you're a good man. Peter Metro, you're a good man. Sorry is all that you can say. Years go by and still words don't come easily. Like water or like good night.
Bad singer. She have a sweet vocal. Althea Hewitt from the 4th Street Sisters. Bad artist. Now, you know, say, we're going to bring in a youth named Quality and now, because we're going to have a band change. So here, we're going Red Hills Road. Red Hills Road. Bad young artists, come to Quality. Yo, give me the taxi there. Red Hills Road, see the artist here.
Yeah, man, big up Stacks and Blacker Dread music. And big up my team, you know, One Gash, you hear that? Red Hills Road. This walker, big up yourself every time. 14 Grammy. Run it. Yeah. And them for no quality. Alright. Hear this. And that's the blessing where we get. Why the pagans are my friend. Why? Hey. But while we have them perplexed, we bust them dragnet, Lord. Red Hills Road. Them say that we not reach nowhere. Them say that police soon kill way. Tell naughty bad mind big way. We confidence it done build way. Them know why we feel reach the top. Put out a song, them a pray for it flop. But we pray to Jehovah non-stop. That's why we think shot. Youth, watch out for the place when you walk. Them we set you up and kill you. Watch out for the snake and the grass. Hey, like milk them with.
Yeah, hear me Quality. Just burn it again, you know. Yeah, hear me at this our platform though. We build champion, we no kill champion. Sing!
Yeah, man, Major Macri, big up yourself. MC Jama, big up yourself. We no drop, we can't run people. Cause we can't trust a hypocrite friend. From a boy start snitching, get cut off. And they saw the friendship end. Some will laugh with you, pretending that them smart one. Them tell you won't be a meaning. Cause them no legit from the start. Not for them, a real poison that one. Erase them friendship and where them feel. Now we pass up and rubber up. Hey, we no power with people. No, we no trust none of them. And we no power with enemies. We can't trust a hypocrite friend. And we no power with fake friends. No, we no trust none of them. And we no power with enemies. Can't trust a bad mind friend.
Those who matter what they have in this life, I belong to the.
Hey. Dirty yard, it and give me pass. Hypocrite in the race, but of them will last. Father God, me I beg you please. Me have the bread, I can't find the cheese. But Father God, guide the way. Each and every day. I am some day. Rubber dub, me no gone nowhere. Enough time and have it, from pocket and have it, but still I'm giving thanks. Stop it!
Youth, your future look bright. Quality.
Yeah, man. You don't know if I sing something for the woman, them, you know. Because we can't come here and bless up the woman, them. Duh! Run the chat, them. I could talk to the ladies, them. You got a cappella this for the woman, them. You drive me crazy, baby girl, you're all I need. No for them doing a yearly, girl, your body no lazy. You knock me to the floor, girl, I want you more and more. You drive me crazy. Turn it up, big it up, girl, your body no lazy. Grab it up, cock it up. Hey, in the club, a rubber dub, the big jiggle, and you wind the right on time. The girl them a watch you, but none of them can match you. The way you brace it up and make me full of glee, energy not cry cream. None of them can flap you, that's why them a watch you. Ladies, you surely blow my mind. Girl, you're one of a kind. Fast forward, now rewind. Girl, especially designed. You drive me crazy. Baby girl, you're all I need. No for them doing a yearly. Girl, your body no lazy. You knock me to the floor. Girl, I want you more and more.
Youth, quality. Your future look bright, my youth. Your future is bright. See him upon them. Give it up for the youth, man. Quality. Metro, come take thing.
Same side, go. Red Hills Road, future. We remember him name. Him name Quality. Now, band change. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna make a bad change and we're gonna bring cross this artist here a boom down the world from in the 70s. This artist from in the 70s, the 80s, he made a landmark throughout the world where reggae music is concerned. Have you ever heard a song known as 7 Miles of Black Star Liner coming in? Put your hands together. Welcome on stage. The man who set it from them time they till now. Welcome on stage, the one and only. Out of Caveman Studio, out of Studio One, out of all recording studio, Channel One, straight back on stage, Ribbon Up Jersey. Welcome, Fred Locks.
How you feeling? Tribute to the great Dennis Brown. Only you gave new meaning to my life. You'll forever be here with me. Inseparable we are. I'm ecstatic, excited of our newly found love. Right here in my heart you will always stay. Ooh yeah, inseparable we are. You are the sunshine of my life. So much excitement when you are around. So much about you that words cannot say. Makes me wanna love you in a special way. 'Cause of you. Feelings through my life. You will forever be here with me. Inseparable we are. Whoa, whoa. How you feeling? You love it and you know it make me ill, yo. Oh, baby. Oh, the world to love you in a special. Only you gave the meaning to my life. You know what? About 10 minutes over there, no say no well. But today they said, how you feeling? Let us know what's going on. You don't know. The number 2 track has the Malcolm X. And the Malcolm X track. Yeah. Malcolm X. Number 3, man. Malcolm X. Alright. Hulu. I don't know them big down now. The great Dennis Brown, I have to pay a tribute to him. Oh yeah, whoa, whoa. Here it is. Because of Malcolm X, white men got vexed. They want to see black man progress. All along the way, black men have strayed, searching to find a way. Oh yeah, how long will it be till you, my brother, see the hidden brutality? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. Next track, want to give them to my tune. Touch and go, cause no parties there, you know. Well, you don't know my song is. How you feeling? Hold on, let it go. Hold on, let it go. Pull up that little bit. You want to see now? I get too popular for a big joint, so I sing up on a whole show, so I kind of slightly worse. When you say my tune, I can murder it. So I set it. See me? Black Star Liners coming. Black Star Liners coming. Why? Hear me now. 7 miles of Black Star Liners coming in the harbor. The 7 miles of the Black Star Liners. You don't know. Love you know. Black Star Liners coming. Black Star Liners coming. Why? Hear me now. 7 miles of the Black Star Liners coming in the harbor. 7 miles of the Black Star Liners coming in the harbor. I can see them coming. I can see hydrants running. I can hear the elder saying, these are the days for which we've been praying. I'm saying, 7 miles of Black Star Line coming in. I don't know. Set it. Black Star Line is coming. Black Star Line is coming. Why? Hear me again. 7 miles of Black Star Line coming in the harbor. 7 miles of the Black Star Line coming in the harbor. I can see them coming. I can see hydrants running. I can hear the elder saying, these are the days for which we've been praying. I'm saying, 7 miles of Black Star Line coming in the harbor. 7 miles of Black Star Line coming in the harbor. It's repatriation, black liberation. Say the time has come, black man, we're going home. Cause 7 miles of the Black Star Line coming in the harbor. 7 miles of the Black Star Line coming in the harbor. Guess I have wasted my time trying to deal with mankind. Oh my Lord, will it take us in the back of my mind? Shouldn't have been down world just to leave this world behind. Oh Lord, hey, receive my job, the backshore line coming in the harbor. Save my job, the black star line coming in the harbor. Hear the song. Marcus Garvey told us the freedom is a must. Told us that the black star line is coming one day for us. And every mile of black star line coming in the harbor. Every mile of the black star line coming in the harbor. Every mile of black star line. Every mile of black star line. Alright, so yes, look at now. You know see how this West get desolate, and the wicked them confused and perplexed. Stop it! My God. Going night again, Elder. Rockstar Line is coming. Why? Rockstar Line is coming. Tell them again, not afraid. 7 miles off the Black Star Liners coming in the harbor. 2 miles of the Black Star Liners coming in the harbor. I can see them coming. Yes, I can see engines running. I can hear the elders saying, these are the days for which we've been praying. Tell them, you know see how this West get desolate, and the wicked them confused and perplexed. Just visit them in a them own craftiness, like the tower be a bell them wreck. Them reap corruption to them sworn at the flesh. Them feel like them also wise and them got a dirty appetite, so them yam filthiness. Hey Luciano burn them. So give me a one-way ticket. Me going back to Africa to live it. Dog in a Babylon I suffer like dog. One go back over yard. Well it. The place here shock, you know. Shock you. But we hotter than them shock. It's shock. Hotter than that. Alright, it's shock. Me I tell you, it shock me a while ago. One more time. So last year I know. How you feeling, myself? 7 miles of black stuff coming in the harbor. Hey, look at that, Mr. No. Marcus Garvey told us freedom is a must. Told us that the Black Star Liners coming one day for us. The 7 miles of the Black Star Liners coming in the harbor. A long time me there and me a watch it. Me see no false preachers, them teachers and prophets. Babylon has spread all them dirty epidemic, but the mental disease Rasta now catch it. Hey man, say go black people and replenish. Yes, and if a blessing Rastafari I go send it. Action I go take and this one I go just take. We free the city when Babylon lock it. But where Corona come from, me no know, but it don't kill the nation. I miss where Corona come from, me no know, but it don't kill the black man. It's a biological warfare inoculation, a strategy to control the population. But what it have happen in that sweet land, we wrap the pack of people and the all black woman. Every youth in a baby, the evil infant, go down in a grave and everybody start. Are you feeling? Are you feeling? Well then, say give me a one-way ticket. Me going back to Africa to live it. In a Babylon I suffer like dog. Won't go back on my God. Say give me a one-way ticket. Me going back to Africa to live it. Down in a Babylon I suffer like dog. Won't go back on my God. Say Africa, me well want come home. country of Ethiopia, Paul from Rome. Africa, Africa, me well want come home. Come on, me then ya me go fling rock stone. Where Ebola come from, me no know, but he don't ya a king the black man. Hold it! Yo, let's hear for Luciano. And Lutan Fyah, I'm coming from my thing and go on great team, man. How you feeling? Touch my next big tune and make a kill them and done. That's what I do, that's it. The call upon the Rasta man to live up strong, oh yeah. We're sharing on Mr. Young Nigga. Whoa. And if you love it and you know it, make me hear you. Long time we do them tuna. You're them big tuna. Hear this. So just say, Rasta don't work for no CIA. Just here to show the way. Oh yeah. Rasta don't work for no politician. To Rasta man is a good and upright man. So he will live forevermore. Cause through the mercy, he'll endure. So just stay. According to your works, you will get paid. So just say. Where I say, I saw, and you saw. Come and kill them and done. So just say. I just say. Whoa, hey, go. Everybody sing Marcus, oh Marcus. Everybody sing Marcus, oh Marcus. Oh, that's us say Marcus, oh Marcus. Bro, that's us say Marcus. Can't hear you. Again. Marcus, oh Marcus. Everybody sing Marcus, oh Marcus. Oh, that's us say Marcus, oh Marcus. Oh, that's us say Marcus, oh Marcus. No false allegation, we are mash up the nation. No, hey. Sing Marcus, oh Marcus. Everybody sing Marcus, oh Marcus. Up there's a say Marcus, oh Marcus. Round there's a say Marcus, oh Marcus. Yo, pull up that. Oh, I'm bringing my little cousin. Nature, you know? Nature is. You know, I say we have a big family of singers. Max the Priest, Jacob Miller, the whole of we have family. Nature, for you.
Nature gonna tell you, darling. This one for the lovers in the house, sing. Worldwide. For you, there is no mountain I wouldn't climb. Don't you pull up, Rasta. Selassie, family Fredlocks, only for love. Let's do this. For you, there is no mountain I wouldn't climb, no treasure I wouldn't find. Shelter you from the storm.
What, Nature Ellis, man. Them song I can't sing one time. God Almighty, Lord. No, I want to feel, man. Talk to me, no, man. Talk to me. Nature, one more time from top. Yo, are you terrible, sir?
Master the Father. Yeah, whoa, I done some Thursday, yeah. For you and your lover, I'll be there when you cry. Dry your eyes if you want, shelter you from the storm. Love you, my people. Mr. Metro.
Bad artist, yo! Pull it up! Let me hear yo for the childish. Yo! Bad artist, put things on people. Hear me now. Now hear me. And me run up here, so you know. Seeing, I'm gonna want this no man. Seeing, please, just make we work work diligently and go down the line. Saying, we have a couple of artists on the posters. All of the hot man them don't rush it into the people them. Seeing? Just make we do it orderly. Alright? Some of the man them when they on the posters, I want to come up here. So back off. Back off, please. Please. Because it don't make sense to not come up here, because me nah go to the mic. Seeing? Me nah go no. Right? We are work down the line. All Junior Reid there, big artist. I want to say Junior Reid there. Him nah rush it. And some little man when I don't name and depend, who does a hope in our face. So. Hold on, man. Sure. Shung Lang, come up here, son. Emmanuel Chin. Seeing? I you going to sing next. Right? So Shung Lang, where you there? Come around here, son. Emmanuel Chin, are your time. Do your thing.
Original dancehall on the feeling. On the feeling I remember and I say, Irie! Yeah, big up near Childish and Skep to Depth. To squeeze it, make we deal with it. Okay, I know it's a Dennis Brown tribute, you know. See it? Squeeze it. Shower me with your blessing. Whoa, Jah. Jah, Jah, bring forth honey, don't stop. Yes, our original dancehall, Emmanuel Chinde, I represent Sid. Step to them to big up. Hey. Shower me with your blessing, yeah. Jah, Jah, bring forth honey, don't stop. Jah, Jah, bring forth milk and honey, don't stop. You are one. Let the news men write what they want to write. Let the wicked believe what they want to believe. Jah, Jah, bring forth honey, don't stop. Can I hear you? Jah, Jah. You are one. Let the sufferers be always strong. Give Dreadnoughty the power to be true and strong. Jah, Jah, can I hear you? One more time. Jah, Jah, bring forth. Wheel out. Yes, I. Some have some big up. It's a famous now. If you know this one, sing along with me. Are you ready? Should I have faith in you? Should I put my trust in? Will it? Yes, I. Big up O'Neal famous now. Peter Metro, Major Macri. Original Dancehall Thursday. Yeah, hear me now. Should I have faith in you? Should I put my trust in you? And should you let me down? Should I flirt around? Why should I think this way? Thinking that you going away. There ain't no place we stay together anymore. Am I to go on now, living this way? Acting like a child so young and play. You don't know how it feels to be loved. You don't know how it means to be loved. Oh no. Tell it to the max, big up and up. Yes, sir. If you know this one, sing along with me. Oh gosh, now. A Dennis Brown tribute, you know. Goes like this. You think I love you for just one thing. Tell you my love, it may lead the way it seems. But I love the way you carry yourself. I even love you for what you may become. And that love in you. Can I hear you? Hey, that love in for more. Reasons then one. Don't you know, baby? Somehow, my love, you've been misled by the tales that other man said. But I love you for what you are. Love you for what you may become. Hey, I yes, I give thanks.
Why? Emmanuel Chin, him bad, don't it? Don't it? Put things from people, Emmanuel Chin. We're going to bring in Dennis Brown, Brett Junior, and Dennis Brown. Him name Shung Lang. Hey, Droop Lion, don't move a muscle, you know. Yo, band change. Band change, right away. Big up all of the people in South America. Escúchame, ahora nosotros en Jamaica. Esta fiesta se llama es Robadop Cueves. Robadop Cueves. Manos arriba, South America, como esta. You está Pedro Metro ahora. All right, Spanish people, no big up on yourself and Robadop Thursday. See, right now we are bringing an artist named Shung Lang. Big year three rhythm look a while. Remember, me give 3 rhythm look a while. See, find them there for me. See, all right. So guess what? You see, in the meantime, Papa Ainsley, where's the play Kilimanjaro? Ainsley, come up here, sir Ainsley. A long time we don't see you. And you used to play Jaro first before Troop and enough people don't know them something. Come here, Ainsley. Ainsley, come up here, sir, please. Let the people them see you. A long time we don't see you. See, remember, you know, over 20 years, me no sooner. People, no found no Kilimanjaro. When Trooper play Kilimanjaro, the youth here was before. See? All right. Shung Lang, hold on the little teeth. Come up here, Ainsley. You find them? All right. This artist is an artist from in the 70s who used to power the one and only Mr. Honorable Dennis Emmanuel Brown. We know him as Shung Lang. So guess what? What I not know, man, so Ainsley here. Hey, people, remember him? Original Kilimanjaro selector. See him here? See him here? Teach them. Catch him. On the camera. I aim this. Original Jaro. I input Jaro on the map. See? And when him fly out, then Trooper take over. But that are youth here. Kilimanjaro. See? Original Ainsley. Love how you look, Ainsley. You look nice, same way. Young and fresh. Where do you miss some selector, them teeth missing? You ever see some man where you and them in the same class, yeah? Where do you see a brother and me and him in the same class? I don't want nobody know. No front teeth. I say, no, sir. Yo!
Yes, I may lose a couple, but it's not in the front. This is Daddy Rifle, original Angel, Kilimanjaro selector. Yo, your work was well done. You set a foundation where can't broke. Bless up yourself.
Dennis Brown, brethren, we can't let you out before we bring down the Atman them. Shung Lang!
Yeah, man, I create the item in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie. Black power for peace. Black power for black man integrity. And those black people think we are dealing with. Shung Lang, long, 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 long. No man is an island. And no man
will come again. Ya hear me, Shung Lang? Sing!
Yeah, man. Big up all of the black people. So we have power, you know. Our time now, you know. Black people. What up, put on the feel it? Black power. Yeah, man. No man is an island. And no man stands alone. Treat each man as your brother. And remember, each man dreams as your own.
Now we need one another. Oh yeah. And we all can try to be friends. Treat each man as your brother. And remember, each man as your friend. You cannot live in this world all by yourself. No, oh no, you can't make it alone. And just to show you try to make it by yourself, you're gonna wake up and find you're gonna need somebody else. Shang lang long 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 long. Shang lang long 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 long. Yeah man. These are the words of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie. Listen to the words. Another rhythm, got a girl rhythm again. All right. Mm-hmm. Don't say no if I ask you to love me. If it don't work out, we'll have to wait and see. So love me now. Don't wait until tomorrow. Love me tonight. Don't wait till tomorrow. Live for today and love for tomorrow. Is the comfort of a fool. Hi, my darling, I don't want to be that fool, so love me now. Don't wait till tomorrow. So long, 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 love me tonight. Listen, these are the words of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie, Rastafari. His Majesty words is moving just like a magnet. King Selassie words is moving just like a magnet. It moved here, it moved there. Oh my people, keep a listening ears. His Majesty words is moving just like a magnet. Listen people, look, look in the depths of your soul. Become someone you have never been before. For your education, your experience prepared you. Oh shit. More courageous, greater in spirit, larger in outlook, or in intelligence, not to no legion, no politician, but to your fellow men and women in the human community. Long, 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 long.
Stop the fussing and the fighting, brother.
Wheeler! Yes, yeah, Shaq. You can't get some rubber. Mr. O'Neill, get some rubber put over your plate. Carpet or something. Please. That's Shaq, man.
Rebel team, I tell you about that something here, you know. You have to sort it out. Lucy!
Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. A chain is as strong as its weakest link, and each man is brother's keeper. Unity is the foundation of survival. God, let your love light shine through.
fighting back.
Hey, pull up. Junior Reid. Junior Reid.
Blessed my Lord, blessed love to all the kings and queens in the house. You don't know, and Dennis Brown, Earth Strong, and them man the inspired Jonah Reid. So you know what to represent to the king. You understand me, King Dennis Brown? Run the thing. Why? Whoa, tip, tip, tip. Why? Whoa. Do you know what this means to have a rape? Why? Yeah. Man, I say man. Man, I say man. Man, I say man. Oh, man, I say girl. Man, I say take a shot here. Man, I say man is doomed to die. Down in a Babylon is war and strife. Free from the terror and the tongues of hate. This I know will soon avail. I have seen the land of my father in my vision. Yeah. From the hills of captivity's reign, yes, I have seen. I'm the light of the yeah, I. Do you know what it means to have a revolution? And what it takes to make a solution? Why? Fighting against the oppressor, oh yeah. But tearing down them system, rubber them. Let me say, yeah. Why? I never knew tune pan already for come. I wanna hear it. Get used to it. Jonah Reid and Water Blood. I don't wanna go like this. Stanley, why? Lift it again, Peter. Yeah, big up. Rubber dub, them things are going to bring back the real music. Rastafari, Holy Emmanuel, I King Selassie, I Jah. Rastafari, life giver, you say. Yeah, give thanks to life giver. So you say, Rastafari sees it all. Them sit down and wait till we fall. Jah nah make that happen at all. We never see them a roll call. We never see them now the man in sunball. Can't this man from back a wall. Fire pan Caesar, Judas and Saul. They never did it when the nation. Oh no! We don't.
Selassie, veteran is an honor. With the order of his distinction of His Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie, Jah.
Rastafari, Livingston Reid, big up for the blood. Juju blood anywhere them there. Young J.R. keep me on big buck. Sees it all. Them sit down and wait till we fall. Jah nah make that happen at all. Me never see them a roll call. Me never see them have the man in sunball. Can't be see man from back a wall. Fire pan Caesar, Judas and Saul. They never did it when the nation a call. The nation cry and sing. Whoa, whoa, yeah, cause you saw the nation a call. They never did it. So you're Babylon. They might give you vaccination. Make them never give you reparation. Say give me compensation. Just give me repatriation. The medication. And so not just an injection. Fear of free Emmanuel children. Let them go. Why? Whoa. Mother vampires of the city. Mother vampires of the city. Mother vampires of the Hold it. I have one message to tell the people them. When I say I know people don't say we really are going. You know, sister, them a kill out all of the veteran them. You think the man them just a drop out and dead so. So all the singer them are dead and the producer them still alive and the record company people them still alive. And who control the publishing still alive. The next thing I go up and again. Them a slow price note, all of the musicians, all of the great musicians them. We play the big tune them both. Because you see the young youth them are going to go up on the computer and do the laptop thing and them thing there.
See, but you want to teach you them the right music. Where, you see, and the sound of the right music. You hear the rubber dub sound, the right music. And where them want to do? Them want the whole of Europe and the whole world to play reggae music and we don't have so. The youth them not playing no music around us. So you understand me? So we have to know, say, well, the man have to know where I go on. See, all of the man them sing the big tune, the whole of the top producer them. You can't name them out, them not there right now. Enough of the top singer them not there right now. You understand me? So give thanks to the one them there and know say, yo, Babylon release a chain, but them I use them. So you know what them do? 1, 2. Let me on the hand. I just said the rubber dub start here. Everything started, so the man said, play upon the instrument of 10 string. And the only instrument of 10 string of the human temper. 5 panawana and 5 panawana. So put it together with Channel Babylon now. Earthquake and lightning in a row. Holy Emmanuel I still see I. Yeah! Rastafari, what the man say? Mashing up the earth. Better you see one of these straw, yeah. Politician them and Santa fraud. Give the youth them guns to ties. Well, do you ever make a circle? Standing with my heart jungle before. Not to mention Portmore. A 7 youth man's coming boy. Pray for the youth, so I'm not gonna cry. I hear me say. We make a flex in America and send a message to the Crips and the Bloods, yeah. The East and the West Side, they all should live in love. Ooh. Do you ever make a circle? Down in Brooklyn or Bronx before. Not to mention all of them. Youth them scholar boy. Don't wanna live out in the sea. Yes, I wanna live on the shore. Why they have my people? Have them living in Portmore. Out of one many people, we all want family. I wanna be your friend, don't wanna be your enemy. Do you ever make a circle up a bubble camp before? 10 miles from the bloody city, Emmanuel living so pure. Love the people. Holy Emmanuel, Peter me.
Yo, hold on, remember tomorrow night, you know. Right up on top of Junior Reid roof. Live band, One Blood Reggae. One Blood Junior Reid, bad artist. Saying, yes, so we put things from people. Our platform decartelized and non-alkaline. Right now, we are going to bring our young artist on stage. This artist just come from Europe the other day. The first time, how that, Archive, big up yourself. The first time I heard about this artist is a female disc jockey for Irie FM, known as Elise Kelly. Push him to the limit, big up Elise Kelly. Ladies and gentlemen, outer Kingston, Jamaica, Toil Waterhouse, right now, we welcome on stage the one and only Mr. Droop Lion!
Yel Selassie, Jah Rastafari. Oh, you mean him give a reggae music in and over there? Rubber Dub Thursdays. Someone there a celebrate. And we are celebrate. And we are celebrate. And someone a drink and a get tosticated. Someone a smoke and a frost. And for God say, yo, Dennis Brown put him life on the line for this. Bob Marley put his life on the line for this. Peter Tosh put them life on the line for this. Toots put him life on the line for this, and so many. All of the ones that who respect the real people, them who do real music. So burn fire! Give me that. Understand now. You know it's no easy getting around. Or to plan represent to the fullness. Understand now.
When the barrel cracks and the smoke smell, Mama sing a prayer for me. She puts her arms around me, said this place sounds set us free. Early morning, Black Mara coming. I try to take my brothers on a tail ride, but if they're taking us all to all center, don't you know we got to reach alive. To blame it on the freeway, free, the freeway, right away, the pull. I don't play with music, you know. It's a bad fire liar. I smoke and make up yourself for my brother. Now you're wrong. When the bubble cracks and the smoke smell, Mama sing a prayer for me. She puts her arms around me, said this place sounds set us free. Early morning, Black Mara coming. I try to take my brothers on a tail ride, but if they're taking us all to all center, I pay the matter. Don't you know we're taking on the freeway, the freeway, run away, the freeway. Oh, my brothers and sisters, they will be singing me, charting of the king's eye. Fire! I'm taking the freeway, the freeway, the freeway. Oh, my brothers and sisters, everybody up Thursday. Rise above earth's surface, while the mountain comes to the sea. Building blocks, it's burning, and then you someone crying out. Thunder roll and lightning strike. See the sun comes with all its might. Plantation feel it is burning. Sudden the way I'm taking the freeway. Say freeway. The freeway. Oh, Rastafari. Calling up the king's eye. Fire. Oh, reggae music. I am the Peter Metro. Watch me. Calling up the king's eye. Fire. Oh, yeah. Hey, Jamaica, tell the artists them to start sing real music. Ha! Really stuff, but me got to turn it. Oh, Selassie, I help me on this journey. Walk through the fire when the flames don't burn me. Boom! I said, how you feeling? What you know? What you know? It is a little different, you know. It's a historical night. But amongst the great them. You know what I mean? How much time DJ for the year, man, like Peter Metcha. You know, Mr. Junior Reid over there, so I'm a teacher them. You know what I mean? Kalanga them. Big up on yourself. I'll give me something, let me sing one more thing now. Say no, so when me sing music, it's real music. And the one on him cut off for the Lord sing. Alright. Then I got a cut off for the Lord, but the bird is still squeezing my ear. And it's only Jah who can help us along this way. Said I got a cut off for the Lord, but the bird is still squeezing my ear. And it's only Jah who can help us along this way. Sick of condemn and lay your elbow in my foul. Walk like a dog and I make you wonder how. When foul like a fat you can see it and in food. No it's not bad for me, coffee them drunk. Sit down and see every time sit on them one bottom. Book it gonna well one day it will rotten. And them a ball, and them a ball. Hey, yeah, yeah, gang, gang. Say, I got a cut for the Lord. Give me something else there. All our real Jamaican them. It doesn't matter where you're from. Do you know this music? I want no Jamaica biggest song this right across the planet. I did let them write it right here from 1950, baby. All right. I love you, Rastafari, Selassie. Keep supporting the real music. You know what I mean? Ja.
Yes, hold it there, hold it there. Artists, forward. It's a pleasure for you to be here. Yeah, it's welcome. Uno say bad. Say real bad. Saying support the bar, me I beg you know, support the kitchen, and big up all of the sponsors them. A man like Coco P from Spain, I want you draw near, yeah? Yeah. Make sure.
Enough respect in every aspect. Ankle spec, knee spec up to your neck. I want to say big up all of the people who are there tonight. It's a blessing. Big up Metro Media, big up Peter Metro. You see me, I say big up the whole family. Yeah, it's reggae music and it's dancehall and our thing this. So we stop by and sing a few songs. Knock it off and get involved with the people. Kananga, big up yourself. Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie. Sure! Let the Most High name be praised, oh yeah. Alright, Selassie, I'm mightier than them all. Lord, get thanks for paper. I want big up all of the Rasta yo, them in the place, saying. I want big up all of the clean heart yo, them in the place, all of the lovely ladies. Alright, Selassie, I'm mightier than them all. And whosoever fight the king shall fall. Emmanuel mightier than them all. Ain't none of them can go round and stall. Black Marcus, you're mightier than them all. Hey, 1/10 of the swell most all. And I'm seeing a doomsday. All of the clean heart people, listen. Hey, I ain't enough for them, but want some crowns. Now ramp his pants off them face and kick them down. When them see the binky man, tell them no frown. But you make the bun, tell them to get out of town. I listen, I see I wear the triple crown. Hey, dudes, get away from the brush and the comb. Hey, China, bleach out all your skin. Play me low, play me low. From what in Jamaica, the people them we on a Rasta are asked where the Rasta them gone. So that's why everywhere me go, me have to big up the real Rasta man them. And the real Rasta woman them will hold it out and know where Selassie you deal with. You see me I say, hey, well heap of them can't believe. Man I say Rastafari now. Them get weak in their knees. Well heap of them can't believe. Big up all of the real youth them saying, alright, hey, and no vex them, vex, I just surprise them realize. Look, see if you see, yes, them around. Hey, Jayana, Kananga, listen, look. You see the bingy man, I make a chad. In a me robe and me turban and me slanders. Hey, I sense in a me bag. Me nah go left me rod. Red, gold and green flag, them some me mad. Hey, Rasta keep it humble like a lamb. Man a vegetarian. Me nah go nyam no harm even when choked upon the land. No call me no. Low. When you know say the Rasta you come from Spanish Town, the old capital. All the way a go on. We stand up for equal rights and justice and we believe in the youth them 100%. More time we go to and them say a badness. But a Rasta roughness is Bob Marley was here, he would be my best friend. Selassie I, me say. Living in a time where anything goes. We can't know we friend them different from foes. And it's a crazy world where no one knows. You can't measure your time, hey. In Santiago de la Vega, man walk the streets with guns load, hustling food to put them out. De la Vega, you know them tune ya? De la Vega, low. The next thing, certain things get common in a Jamaica, the country where the whole world love as the moral background of the entire world. I ask a Rasta come from.
Righteous, so in Jamaica you have the most church. That means that we love righteousness. Jamaica, we love righteousness. Sometimes some people chat too much and get in a trouble. So we sing some song, we kind of put them in a them place like this. Hey, I know everything you see, you feel run, go put your tongue in your face, never make fi sit down in a fire burn in ya. Run the rhythm, Holy Emmanuel I Selassie I. I want to big up Luciano in the place. If Jamaica did love Luciano and love the vibes, I mean the vibes. Hey, everything you see, you feel run, go put your tongue in your face. No make me sit down in a fire burn in ya. If a funny guy, if I come in ya. More you give me a mix, watch ya. Hey, me go find a bun a guy who shot the bishop. When you be little boy, you do bench press and sit up. Them get lick up. Me tell them say get up. Me lick them in a them knee cup until them a pick up. Them labor long and plot a lot to slew the meek. I tell you say them robbers only come to thief. Rastaman me go find a bun a Catholic priest. Tell him to take him out of the little boy brief. Yes, sir, shock. Yeah, so a shock. Run it again. Listen. I want to big up the promoter. I'm going to tell you a story about the promoter, you think. Say me go find the bun a guy who shot the bishop. When you have the little boy, you do bench press and sit up. Them get lick up. Me tell them say get up. Me lick them in a them knee cup until them have pick up. Them labor long and plot a lot to slew the meek. I tell you say them robbers only come to thief. Rastaman me go find the bun a Catholic priest. Tell him to take him out of the little boy brief. Them say them a bad man a road, but in a them yard them a freak. Them anti your bed and them a peace. How them touch up them little knees in our sleep. Level. What you know? Me tell you no man to me brief. Me no your man that shit. Me no kiss people meat. And no boy a sneak and a do it and a eat a try rooks them auntie and niece. Look you know, car me drive it, bike me ride it. But this Sabbath you fi bench and tile it. When me chat the buttercuts, them don't like it. All them pull up. It clean. Level. Pull up. Jamaica, I want to tell you something. You see the promoter, that stout man there, that fat man there. Listen. You know, say my DJ, his name O'Neal Famous. When me about 9 years old, that man make me school for 3 months straight, you know, my people. Mash up my thing in a classroom, you know. Because at the time, one little record shop where him, Papa Son, Major Worries, Dirtsman, Wolfman, Stitchy, all of them around there DJ at daytime. And me I go to school and stop and see them. Me couldn't pass, my people, me couldn't pass. So me stop and none of them are wicked. None of them, monks man I him grow me. Major Worries are my best friend. None of them no say, oh you no going to school. Not even one of them a wicked DJ them. But of them teach me the thing. Him was my favorite, him used to tall, him never big so. Him never big so, him slim and nice and handsome. Him look away now still. Oh, give thanks, play the next track. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie I. May I sing one song where all I know can all the vibes with. You see me I say, because you know say enough tune Lutan Fyah sing, but I don't get no chance to sing no 70, no 1 hour around here, no 35 minutes. So I get the microphone just all the vibe. Big up. And you call me and say come true. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie I. Run it out. Yo. No one kind of dramatic and no fun, I just joke. Them call it meme nowadays. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie I You know see it. It's a party, yes. Everybody rock and come in here tonight. Reggae-matical party, yes. Big sound sing up, man and no man lock down. Then it's a party, oh yeah. Hey, say you're narrow. Alright, oh yes. Promoter, let's in the hot girl them in ya. And make we party. Say you're narrow. Every night because my bed me have to touch certain place before me. Oh yeah. I touch certain place. Buju be the bounty sizzler, them was here. Dance all upon, and that me want hear. Elephant in a socks and football gear. Miss Kitty on a 10 speed look like a teddy bear. Hey. Lord have mercy, boy. Man, if you're happy and you love it, say forward. It's a party, yes. Everybody rock and come in here tonight. Reggae-matical party, oh yeah. Big sound swing up, man and woman lock down. Then it's a party, yeah. Everybody rock and come in, Lord of mercy. Them and gal them in here, and make we party, hey. Before me go, me make me have to touch many places. Last night me make a chat, go to a dancehall fair. Be the bounty Buju sister, them was there. Dancehall upon, and that me want hear. Elephant in a socks and football gear. Miss Kitty on a 10 speed look like a teddy bear. The crowd attention like Princess Reindeer. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. That song you kind of face, you know. You see Lutan Fyah, me quick forget blame. Play the next track. Holy Emmanuel I still say, them love call me name and me stay far from them, you know. Because I don't want to step in somebody's face. Give me an extra Holy Emmanuel I still say, enough respect my people. That you gone too far. Play a fake friend. You don't know. It kind of disorganized, but Holy Emmanuel I still say is the Almighty. And music this. In the music you have all kind of people. You have some real people, and you have some dirty heart people. I beg you look in your own mirror. Hey, check yourself, boy. Don't go below now. Look in your own mirror, yeah. Hey, Kananga, my friend, boy. I don't need no fake friend. No real from in a heart. Them are plastic people in a mask. Yes, them are fake friend. Not genuine at all. If you fall, them see them wanna laugh. They say your things them a watch, but them can't get it from me. Them want to see holos broke down for me. Fake friend, oh you them a pose. Who need friends with? Lord of mercy. Don't make them boot you. Alright, well. Don't try trust them anymore. If them ask are a ride, just shut the door. Wind up the window, press the button, name ignore. Cause you give them 99 times, them still want more. But I don't need no fake friend. God have mercy, oh yeah. Rasta man don't need no fake friend. Whoa, 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 whoa. All them pull up. You want to put on here one of them long time with him there, your son. Answer. Holy Emmanuel I still say. Peter Metro, we are going to some dancehall thing. What you say? Dancehall Thursday. You hear the man them name what I call Major Worries, Papa's son. All of them man, the Stitchy, Jonathan Wolfman. I could go in some dancehall thing. Some man don't know if you look man in a Jamaica. I'm going to adjust them, low. I know everything you say. I know something what you do. Man, you can't get a girl if she don't want you. It don't make sense you fuss and fight and argue over something when no belongs. I mean, yo, what's the style where you shot? To call the girl them go on like them at. Just a minute, when you want her to stop. That time you want her off on our chat. Sexy, she will look round and grin. Bust a smile and keep walking. Hello, that get a downfall. It's like you just have the phone call. Yush, that a for the girl where she tabush. Well, if in the ghetto wanna go on like she's tush. Aye, that a for the command put us. Where every man, low. Man, if me forget a girl, me not tell her me rich. Say me come from Spain, me drive Honda Civic. No, sir, that's a foolishness. Me left that to the young apprentice. Me say, I baby girl, miss walking boutique. The way you attire shows off your physique. Pelican shit, no white like your teeth. And your ears ring pretty like Bob Marley Reid. Last night, me dream about you in a me sleep. Said the two are we, lock down tight and I do it. You make up your face like monkey, want save. Yeah, you want no, low. Low. Take a walk, go to the bus stop. Take the red bus to get the load pan it up. When you reach on the bus, ask him Mad Maxon. Tell him to carry you at the secret spot. In case you don't ask, let me tell you what. Well, I see it at the window, you sit down and watch. Make sure you come out for the first bus stop. You go down little further, you see one little shop. Go along further, you see a dirt track. Now take the dirt track, go on a hilltop. Right where your man a sell jelly coconut. No go left, no go right, and no bother turn back. Go along straight ahead till you reach on the flat. When you reach on the flat, boy, pop off your knife. Take up a big stone and ready for your fight. Cause some dog down there, then we kill you with bite. Bite out your head side, what's that if a night? No. Take the left, make the first right, make the next turn at the first stoplight. You go see a big store and a hydrant pipe and a big sign mark vegetarian delight. I know, there's some leave, go down further. Past the ball field, then you cross the gutter. Go along straight ahead, then you reach a center. You go see a high fence with be a bug wire. Not take that way there, that the one a danger. You go see a cane piece and a cow pasta. Take the cane piece the way the shorter you can. Yam sugar cane, cause them sweet like sugar. And chill for a while and cool off your tent. Then you see a sign mark, don't enter. Put on your shoes and beware a macam. Rain a go fall, walk with umbrella. You go see a little track, take you to one river. Go cross in no deep and shallow water. Boy, then you reach in a De La Vega. Hey, everybody want know where me live. See when me drive but them not know where me live. Take the ferry come a Central Village. All and pull up. All and pull up. How you feel, people? I want to give thanks, Peter Metro. Enough respect in every aspect. Big up Papa Luciano. You have an next with him? Run on my track. I'm sing a next song. Run the number second track. I'm big up my people, them. Big up Joe Playa and me and go up on tour one. Big one. Big broad stage and a big microphone and a loudspeaker. Big up Jamaica for love the music. That's the people out in the world can come through, come give away your strength. That's all white people can in our crowd and I say, yes, I go on like them a Jamaican. I go on like, run it off, Holy Emmanuel I Selassie. Let me sing a tune for my people them. Oh Lord have mercy, Lord. All right, yes, me never call it crime on a scene. Me never call it locked up. Hey. Me never take a dollar for your drink. Politicians them love act up. Alright, and the youths them a feel it. So me reveal it. So me live it day to day to day. This is no category. I saw the real story of sufferation. Hey, long time away. My family, hey. Living day today. I got Jamaicans meet. No time to waste. One day we'll make it. I just saw me born and grow. Hey, we living in Jamaica. Hey, rise, rise, rise. Lord of mercy. Hey, time, the time. All right, who you know? It's plain to see. All right, I want enough respect to everyone you saw. You know, see it, look you know. Let me tell you about get a life. You ever in the ghetto when hungry you bite. Hungry you walk like a man where you have life. Day up a day and night up a night. Down in your belly, circulating in your tripe. Up in your neck, you could have bust your wild pipe. Oh, come here, come and love you. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie. Alright, a long time away from my family. Living day today. I got to make ends meet. No time to waste. Hey, one day we'll make it. I just saw me born and grow, yeah. We're living in Jamaica. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie. Enough respect. I want to pick up the youth them and the people who love Lutan Fyah music and follow me over the years. We're not no back a loud song, but we have a lot of songs that the world like. And we keep in touch with my fans. Enough respect, Holy Emmanuel I Selassie.
Rastafari. Lutan Fyah, bad artists, I work all over Europe. Big him up every time. I spread the word and continue with the legacy of reggae music from Mr. Robert Lestamal. Big up all the European devil there. Big up on yourself. Loving it just like that. All the people from Germany in the house. Guten Morgen, guten Nacht. Ish, Liebisch. Germany. Well, watch other people. May I tell you, say, what it more artists they have for work. You hear me? Brian not touch it yet. Lisa Danger not touch it yet. But here what you do, give me the tax already. And we have Rico Banton. Him there on the posters. The artists are from outer east. St. Thomas, Rockford, Mountain View. Everybody know him around there. So Jungle, Rima, Red Hills Road. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm birthday. We must celebrate it with Dennis Emmanuel Bow. Rico Banton.
Respect the general. Easy teach them. Hold it there. Don't play it. Yeah, easy. One big up the bread in New York. Him thing at 24th of December, all red and white. Big up all the item. Yeah, man. My wife in the house. Marciana. SB. Boys, you respect I. All the people in the house, teach them. Hear the song. Dennis Brown. Took a walking past your house late last night. All I'm pull up. I'm a birthday, you know. I'm a share to the prince. So I couldn't come out and draw a piece of D Brown. Big up culture team, a friend for life. You hear me? Daya. Took a walking past your house late last night. All the shades were pulled and drawn way down tight. All I'm pull up there, we'll chat some tune for the people, you know. D Brown, I love you, you're my father. Easy Easter. Yeah, man, Delimax. This one is Chris. Easy Dyer, my friend for life. Twins of twins. Ra-da-da-da-dang, da-da-dang, da-dang. Hey, 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 yeah, hear me? We music loving, we music loving. When you hear me? We music loving, we music loving. When you follow me? We music loving, we music loving. When you hear me? We music loving, we music loving. After me lay down in my bed, I look up and I'm sailing. A little after that, me hear me telephone a ring. Me woman Jacqueline, she just a come from foreign. She want me passport, we can me go to Brooklyn. Me say March, well as now where we buy wedding ring. And Kingston Parish Church where we keep the wedding. A little after that, me catch up and a bowing. 747 and go offering. So me went to a session, not in a Brooklyn. I pay idiot DJ, them was stopping. Me take on the mic and them and put in the ceiling. I start do the style name sexual healing. A big girl surrounded until the morning. A man come and knock me what me drinking. Me ask him if I tell me when me Martin. Say don't in a Jamaica when me drink I. Peace. Respect to all the people in the house here, old school. Original dancehall Thursday. Big up the boss on Hill famous. You call her for the one. A major Mac of my friend.
Yeah, boy.
Say respect to all the youth them who are a long time. Who know some to get a good it at one time. Nah rapper we no joker, we control with time. We are stop and we are check and we are looking at time. Respect to all the youth them who are a long time. Who know some to get a good it at one time. Nah it is a fear that the bad never know some bad man long time. Hear me? Hear me now? So respect to all the youth them who are a long time. Who know some to get a good it but one time. Like Starkey and Feather Map, they control one time. Tony Brown and George Flat them was dead on one time. Clanny Massop and Sean the elite one time. Jim Brown and George Fang did the road borderline. But we boy from down and we see used to bad one time. Ratcliffe and Jungle them they fear one time. Respect to all the youth them who are a long time. Who know some to get up who did bad one time. Nah rapper we not joker, we control with time. We are stop. You know. Watch this. Stand up and from firehouse destroy them one time. Natty Magan control the train line one time. And Japan was grand spent Prime Minister one time. Willie got Rose's big thing one time. Jatty like him father run the west one time. Stevie East one more time. Now this time for the weed man them. Cause we can't come through on the Hillary. Original weed baby. Twins of twins. Give Give me the ice cream, weed, me no want no regular. Burn it in the backwood, vanilla, Dutch, or in the Rizzler. Give me the ice cream, weed, me no want no regular. Tell the weed man, them bring them telephone chalwa. Give me the ice cream, weed, me no want no regular. Burn it in the backwood, vanilla, Dutch, or in the Rizzler. Give me the ice cream, weed, me no want no regular. Tell the weed man, them bring them. You know. Send me burn some weed at Kingston. After me eat some London. After me burn a split, me tell Jericho bring metals from winter, spring, summer, autumn. Tell them bring the years come. Dancehall forget some. So me send go link key. Still have to take color. The kind of weed you in your brain, you know now you drift. Massy we put up the chalice to make no Babylon all a pull you. In a jailhouse, then we fall you. So give me the ice cream, that weed me no want no regular. Burn it in the backwood, vanilla, Dutch, or in the Rizzler. Give me the ice cream, that weed me no want no regular. Give me them blow. Now them put it on the ship, in the plane and on the cargo. Got it with them big machine, them a move like Wells Fargo. Anyway, the high grade at this, so me want go. This is like a weed embargo. Give me the boat, give me the knife, give me the weed and make me so real. Like the country, give me the chalice, make me show them how me fully. The highest grade of weed, we don't want no regular. Burn it in the back of Sita!
Why, Rico, you have a tone of voice, the boy. Big and fat. Hey, people! What on, I have to give a female a chance. You know why? Macadam, man. She used to par with about 3-4 artists. And from she bus, she gone and she no look back on some of her friend them like Queen Paula. I'm vexed, because she and Queen Paula I walk for nearly 20 years in the business. Me don't know what, but she remember say she and Queen Paula used to do role. I see that female here, she used to walk with them to their studio with me. Every day. Lisa Danger.
Don't you know who's talking about a revolution sound? Me say, my people, if you're glad to be alive and well, make me hear you say dead a mouth. Talk truth. Me say after Corona, seriously, you don't know where me I look for some money, make a cut a long story short. Kick it off fast and Usain Bolt and bounce it from Merlin at the level. Peter Metro, big up yourself, Odin famous. Michael Spinners, you don't know me, Mackerel. Hear what me look? What I need is a money machine. Father, please make money come in. Me wash out, me clean out, me house clean. Money, please intervene. Me say what I need is a money machine. Father, please make money come in. Me wash out, me clean out, me house clean. Look, please mix me down. Me want to pay rent and buy a house on the hill. I know the promises to me youth not fulfill. Me have to clear up me liquor shop bill. Me a feel a drought pain, money come make me take you like pill. Doctor say money the only complaint me have still. So turn yet me outside the steel where make the grill. Me have a cell phone a ring a money bell. Even me laptop me call it Chuckle. Shh, take it for a little. Shh, Chuckle. People, you want me tell you the only thing me shorter in a life right now, O'Neal? You want to know me shorter? Uncle just a worm out and wash out. If you see me belly look push out. Just a worm out and wash out. If you see me belly look push out. Say them a human being, not a grape. Now take me money and buy no cheap. Uncle just a worm out, check the look. I don't know, hear the new slang pan the corner. Everywhere we go, we hear the people them say nothing na go on ya. Turn to the farm in organic order. Global warming is an imminent danger. Babylon can't hold we no longer. Even though they try to make our life much harder. Right now we are rise out of we sleep and we are rise from this slumber. The fittest of the fittest shall prosper. When me say, can't even crank up the old elko plant. Oh no, nothing say how we like belong. Blazing up the coal pot fire, can't afford gas. Look, I better if we go back to basic. Old granny style with a practice. Gotta be wise to realize it. Education kick off our next rhythm. They call me people you see in our life. We just gotta do good, eat and drink and feel joy ourselves, though. Kick off the rhythm right away. I saw Earth set up, big up everybody upon them Earth strong right now, DMA crew, Michael Spinners. Take down low. Hear me? Let me tell you how when me a come. Hear this now. I don't know me just a come, me say. I don't know me just a come with me lyrical tongue. Me want a good slice of cake, me can't take the bun. I don't know me a ball a try to tear down the wall. All people are sent phone call. I remember Mama Liza up in the 80s. Alti and Dana, then Mama Nancy. Lady and then Marine from the Jamming Posse. Sister Berna thought that I never make no money. Then Charmian take it over from Sister Angie. Lady Macri shake the black shackle. When Lady Juni shake the chart with Jamaican man, Lady G and Lady P did in a competition. Poof! Shelly Thunder give for your man. Then hardcore Pacha come from Westmoreland. Lady Mackerel before she near Maca Diamond. Me hear she sing a song, say she glad she never brown. Queen Paula win the clash dog in a Mobile town. Angie Angela the girl where ring Zion Bell. Lady Saturn back as she know I go to hell. Remember, you think I know me just a come low. Me have a brand new style, I'm know it not spoil. It represent my profile. Real big man think I'm not a child. My fruits them right, none of them not spoil. Me now run down a thing in the world. Me leave them thing there to little girl. Me know diamond and me know about pearl. Me know about cream here and Jerry curl. See from me born out and my mama never talk slackness. How me don't tell me tell them that thing I'm madness. Conscious lyrics me practice. Yo, me say I clean lyrics me put on plastic. I tried my utmost best to be me. I tried my best to eat healthy. That's what makes me wealthy. I try my utmost best to be free. Yo, some big old man with them like to act like a child. I got it no fake. Hold
it! Hold on! Lisa, you bad same way, you know. You make Lady Ann want to fly now. Lady Ann, go look for your green card and come. See? Big up Lady Ann. Lisa Danger, you bad. Hold on the mackerel, man. Them posters thing there for hold on. See? Little John thing. Well, do it quick and fast.
Little John, I wanna win a Peter Metro, our brother that for life. Although me love him daughter and him wife. Yeah, hear me people, remember the 1st of April, you know, Stewart Town, a Little John stage show. Major Mackerel, seeing Peter Metro, Junior Reid, Luciano, O'Neal Famous, seeing the best of the best will be there. And people, me are going to support the bar and support the kitchen. Yeah, hear me Metro, do your thing.
I hear the king. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have an ex-bad artist to bring forth on stage. This artist, no found to know him. Well, he put hit song with Wayne Wonder. Dave Kelly Camp, until now, mash up the whole of the 90s. Ladies and gentlemen, out of Dave Kelly Camp, you don't know one bad artist there were par with Terry Fabulous, he par with Wayne Wonder, Donavan, Steele.
Yeah. Big respect to Peter Metro. All of my ladies. So me say big things are going for you, baby. Man, I get busy cause them know your body ready. Big things are going for you, all the children living in. Whoa, yeah. Whoa. So me say big things are going for you, baby. Man, I get busy cause them know your body ready. Big things are one for your only children living in style now run out. I say big things are one for your baby. Man, I get busy cause they know your body ready. Big things are one for your only. Give me a say. So me say man insecure, him say things look funny. How him they a foreign him a spend team money. Him they a foreign him a threaten him a worry. Feel say your next man a stood on the curry. Him drop the call and the one Anthony. She look at you like say him a bug money. Y'all just call him, tell him you no sorry. Tell him there's no time for no man watch you. True big things are going for you. The man a get busy, can him know your body ready. Big things are going for you. Sure. Ladies, you know the thing though. Yeah. And I can't stop thinking about about the way my life would be. No, I can't stop thinking about the style I gave to she. And I can't get it out of my mind. God knows how hard I try. If she would walk right up my life, God knows I could. Girl, if I never feel you in my arms again, and if I never hear I love you now and then, I will never make love to you once again. Please understand, if life ends, then girl, I promise you, if you've got this good there, you know what I say? Yeah, hear me? All gangsters. So me say, make me see you and if you a dapper. All of the man when you have the okra and snapper. If you drink the Guinness and you do your work proper. No, girl, you never hear. Let me see you and if you a dapper. All of the man when you have the okra and snapper. If you drink Guinness and you do your work, pull up that. All of the ladies, them. We still there representing them. We are live and direct from cassette day. Listen me. Woman, no worry, you are one pound the chart. Sexy carry at the beat of me heart. Psychedelic and a yeah! That is cool, big up yourself anywhere there. Try 13, X amount of respect. You hear that? Sure. Woman, no worry, you are one pound the chart. Sexy carry at the beat of me heart. Psychedelic and a joke like a dad. Certain girl, them a real old fat. In love and them want break your heart. Give them your money and then them rip and them run off. And them and them friend them and have it and attack out. Accident make them joke and see them a wash you. Show your body ready them a shot you. You a goody eat you. At you. Say girl you a go on. Make them know say you look good from your body. They look like you. Show big things a go on them a fight you. All the one down a back. Fight you, no fear them, no mind. None of them not get mine. Woman, no worry, you are one pound. Sexy carry a day beat of me heart. Psychedelic and a joke like a dad. The rest of girl, them a real old. Fall in love and them want break your heart. Give them your money and then them rip and them run off. They never them friend them and have it and attack out. Accident make them sure. I'm in love, I don't need another girlfriend. Don't want no girl with no one bag of problem. In the man them see them I feel look them. Oh, my skin carry won't break my heart. Pull up that one here. Yeah, hear me? You see, it's an honor for the year. And I man give enough respect for this platform. Peter Metro, big up yourself. Major Mark, big up yourself. O'Neal Famous, big up yourself. You see me? At this platform, I know make whole heap of people can see artists like I and I. Who never see for years. You see me, I say, love you know people. Yeah.
Yes, my old. Come here, Donavan, Steele. It's a pleasure to have you here. You're welcome. We see twins of twins in the house. Twins of twins who want to up on the platform, you know. So link up. People, we are going all the way to Spain, you know. Zane. A cook-a-pee. Give me back the rhythm before that, the Donavan Steele rhythm. Zane, I'm a people them here from Spain. Introducing cook-a-pee. This is how great original dancehall is. We control the world. O'Neal Famous, God bless you if you put that thing here together. Big up. You hear me? Cook-a-pee.
Yo, me uncle. Big thanks, in. I really appreciate. All right, me come from Catalonia, Spain, Barcelona, where the big ballad there from, see? All right, big up Peter Metro. Yeah, man. O'Neal Famous, see? Play a rhythm, no, man. Laugh up for me, they must laugh up for me. Laugh up for me, because me a whitey. Laugh up for me, them used to laugh up for me. Laugh up for me because me a whitey because like when we are born and since we are born in on the studio today, the on the corner today. Yeah, them just a smell it, she want come in on me bed. Since Emilia we are place, switch around mouth and face. Alright. Yo, I can bust the lyrics in a me language, in Catalan, see? See what she is. All right. Yo. Hey, you gotta know sound it same as the shot men fret. Cool and deadly if you know the enemy bet. Tightest pony alte whistle mesa straight. Si no estás a mí, no son pasa mai la set porque ancora no sound it. You must the shot men fret. Cool and deadly if you know the enemy bet. Tightest pony alte whistle mesa straight. Si no estás a mí, no son pasa mai la set. Aya, mangian sostra, mangian paret. Mangian sostra, mangian paret. Mulles d'am tu enganxat com xiclet i em tens a la teva porta tan sols amunt i una pàtua. Sit down in on the pack with my friend them all ditching. Alright, cover bell covers and then we just roll a vibe. Original thing then we
We'll come again. Original dancehall Thursday are going to the man from Spain. Beat them cook-a-pee.
Yo. Hey, Catalan done pon the dance hall tonight. We gonna rub it tonight. Really gonna rock it. Yo, Catalan done in the dance hall tonight. Big up Borsalino scene, big up King Horror. Alright, big up Boom Boom Fighters. I mean him cook up, remember this. Yo. Hey. Bonjan, you can suck funny massa Bonjan. El que realment vol és un real Batman. Cali portin euros, dollars and pound. Bonjan, you can suck funny massa Bonjan. El que realment vol és un real Batman. Cali portin euros, dollars and pound. Let me a double tempo me a do it. Plou, preparuga, plou. Si ens veus a la pari fem una peta en renou. Des de l'Empordà l'Ebre passant pel Masnou. A la Catastunya, Mataró i a Bonxa, Lleida, plou. Preparuga, plou. Si ens veus a la pari fem una peta en renou. Des de l'Empordà l'Ebre passant pel Masnou. A la Catastunya, Mataró i a plou. Hey, yo, Robert Up Thursday, how you feeling? Me I give thanks. Me I represent Barcelona, Catalonia. Me I represent Spain. I saw me do me things, see? All right, bless up. Me have to give thanks to my Mackerel and my uncle.
Pull up! This is my nephew from Spain. Uno say bad. Say real bad. Nibibam. Peter Metro.
Why am I not telling a lie? Him bad. Bad, big up Paul. Big up family barbers in Canada. 5 to 10 Mississauga. Big up young blood our sponsor. People, when you say yes are the place to be. Sizzler said me if you come check him, you know. Me I go check Sizzler that week, because him say him want come. Buju Bantan tell me say him want come. Perissa man tell me say him want come. Marcia Griffith say, Metro me a coming up, but boy, me never know when me a come. He says, all right, Sister Marcia. But anyway, Rubber Dub Jersey, yes sir. We don't have a DJ about push knife in a man belly if you get forward. Big up military man, we can't stop big up Capleton. All of the artists them were bust around here. But guess what? Mackerel, you know so that youth you lose a leg like you. And I don't know why you go around him, Mackerel, saying a you for introduce him. I want away.
Yes, my brethren. Him lose the left and me lose the right. 1 foot man. But them youth here DJ. Original. Them youth here. El Figo Barco. Billy Boyo. Beanie Man. This is the original DJ when named Billy the Kid from Donga Jungle. You hear me, Billy the Kid? DJ me 1 foot brother, me and you in the same position.
No respect nature. No all the Malwood man them, respect. Abdul. Lord have mercy, come follow me. Lyrics cash mega, lyrics cash this year. Lyrics cash mega, lyrics cash. Yeah. Lyrics cash mega, lyrics cash. Metro, lyrics cash. Yeah, what? Me have lyrics up here, lyrics down here, lyrics on the ground, lyrics on the ear, lyrics on the circle, lyrics on the sphere. Pull up!
Will! Famous the one you name 1 foot jump. Your butcher. DJ!
there's a mackerel. You know what I saw from 88? I tell much of it. You have one. Me country girl. Jam me country girl, Sandra. Me country girl. Jam me country girl, Sandra. Me have a country girl. She come from Manchester. I two breasts them big like a ducky. A heel back, chop sharp like razor. The girl and me go tell like razor. But one thing for sure, you see a hard worker. Say both stream and the girl a carry water. And in the house the girl a big farmer. She plant yam, dashing cocoa and banana. But set up me girl like a big timer. Give a chain pan and ring. But Panera she wearing chaparita. She wear pay gold, she no wear silver. She have a passport, now she get visa. They don't arcade, the girl a big nigga. Tell Polly, me say like a villa. She got me in the back in my entertainer. And 3 months and the girl start to suffer. Come back to me over the DJ dada. She had jam scammer, she had jam money robber. Me sit down on the rhythm, go DJ Papa. No, it's a bit licking you one.
Pull up! Why Billy the Kid, he come like you have short of breath. We not tell a lie. But big up anyway. You make a joyful noise unto the Lord. See? So you see right now, Oliver, we have one more artist here from Spanish Town, and then Sky God come up here, so I don't like when I hide, you know. Big up Chicken Chest. When you soon see him soon. The youth named Chicken Chest, see? Original DJ from them time, them a flying feed. All right, Leslie Thunder there as well. So watch ya, my virgin. Incline. You ready for it? All right, do your thing. Ladies and gentlemen, out of Spanish Town, Jamaica, the first capital. Now, we bring across original. Incline. Put things from people.
From the vine. You know what thing gonna give thanks dancehall Thursday, you don't know what thing set. You know me there go and humble and go and watch a thing. I don't know what thing set. Watch you now. Me not book feet, but me look feet. Twins big up yourself. Peter Metro. Yeah, give thanks. Dennis Brown, Earth Strong, and what they are. And I'll give thanks to life, so life. Over here, sir. Alright, last year we go easy. This year we have to go harder. Now follow them stress out and get manga. Some like this step we climbing. I wanna watch bad mind people, them can't stop the shine. The glory of our when your blessings still a shine. No make them stress you out. Them too bad mind. One know how you live, how you survive, and how you climb. Can't take what's mine. Famous glory of our when your blessings still a shine. No make them stress you out. Them too bad mind. One know how you live, how you survive, and how you climb. Can't take, teach them, sit ya. Positive and negative people not that own ya. Be a leader, I'm govern panagrung ya. Wicked and dead with that and plunder. Can't intimidate me physically with them gunja. Life light, life earn, life dance. Put in the work and go for anything you want. Allow believe in the Almighty, give me this. Watch out now, Selassie. Alright. The glory of our your blessing. No make them stress you out. Them too bad mind. One know how you live, how you survive, and how you climb. Can't take what's mine. Again, glory of our your blessing. Why is that? You know what thing going on? D Brown, Earth Strong, and you don't know what thing going to pass through and bless it. Give thanks. And the first award I get in a Toronto is a D Brown, me sing and get it. Give thanks. Youth in progress. You know what's going on? Uprising, the whole Toronto. Hey, Mr. Man, you know what? So you know what it means to have a revolution, and what it takes to pay a solution, and fighting against oppression, battering gang with patience. Yeah. Go on in Jamaica, taxi man strike. Are you ready to stand up and fight the right revolution? Are you ready to stand up and fight this just like soldiers? Many call, few are chosen. Many call, watch out now, Everett. He's filled the mind I play rubber dub all the time. I play in a different. Love us, last year.
No, man, you have to come finish that. Yo, come finish that. Away things from people.
Are you ready to sing it with me? A friend of mine. Watch out. This world of mine. I play rubber dub all the time. I play all the while. I play in a different style. I play it. Wanna sing with me? Hey, rubber dub all the time. Hey, Peter the drum out in the style. I play in a different style. I play it all the yeah. Every now. Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love. Love no.
Thank you. You want to do one day? Pull it up. Baba, how are your name again? Ayatunde. You want to do a D Brown pan this? Because me have a next artist I go call it. Ayatunde.
Greetings, Rubber Dub Thursday. A reggae man. And we go like this. And then it's gone. Ayatunde this. See it, y'all. Last night I weren't at home. I just went for a stroll. And when I returned, I saw this note underneath my door. Never ever see me again. And hold up!
We'll come again Tunde. Cho, slap them till Monday.
Yeah man, Dennis Brown used to feed West Show there, you know. Record factory days. So we have to touch Dennis Brown. Last night I weren't at home. I just went for a stroll. And when I returned, I saw this note underneath my door, stating you'll never ever see me again. And now her love, you'll never ever see me again, my friend. Watch out! And I'll be taking the train, I'll be taking the westbound train. I'll be going to a place where there is happiness, yeah. I am doing this, I don't know. Let me go to one of my original. You see that tune here? About a girl that me love. And the whole family them will fight against me. Sing to me a rasta. It goes like this. You know what, give me a mix. See it ya? Alright. Oh, yeah. Well, girl, your mother tell you say you no fit chat to me. Anyway, you see me, you fit turn your back to me. Me hear your daddy all I said booby trap for me. Your little sister still a chase her tongue hot for me. Your bad man brother say he ma back up a shot for me. Them say me smoke too much weed, yam too much callaloo. And the whole of them a pray for me reach a Bellevue. Granny gonna hope your man gonna go work voodoo. She know what her granddaughter and no damn rasta crew. Her ex-boyfriend said me now go make it show her brother. See me one here and a wrinkle and shoe. Me and him used to good, we used to go the same school. We kick football and cook. I tell you the boy vex, cause then him sister in love. But me pray to the father, what up above. Nothing with them do can separate this love. See what you're meant to get.
Ayatunde, you bad artist, Ayatunde. God Brooks, you don't know. Artists here right now, we are featuring him. Ladies and gentlemen all over the world, England, Canada, and America, welcome on stage, original Rasta, God Brooks. Boom.
Respect in every aspect, see? People, yes, they will hear what I go and look at John Cobb. You know, it's a favor. Yeah, man. Boom. Whoa, yeah. Yeah. It goes so. I know you wanna leave me, but I refuse to let you go.
for your sympathy. I don't mind, cause you mean that much to me. Ain't too proud to beg, sweet darling. Please don't leave me, girl. Don't you go. Ain't too proud to plead, baby, baby. Please don't leave me, girl. Don't you go. A crying man, take your hand with no simple pride. Ain't too proud to beg, sweet darling. Please don't leave me, girl. Don't you go. Ain't too proud to plead, baby, baby. Please don't leave me, girl. Don't you go. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I wanna tell you, oh, yeah. I've been trying a long, long time, still I cannot make it. Everything I try to do seems to go wrong. It seems that I've done something wrong. Why they trying to keep me down? Who job bless, no one curse. Thank God I'm not the worst, but I must come one day. Whoa, oh, yeah. Yeah. La da da da. It goes so. I've been trying a long, long time, still I cannot make it. Everything I try to do seems to go wrong. It seems that I've done something wrong, but they trying to keep me down. God bless, no one curse. Thank God I'm not the worst. Better must come one day. Better must come, yeah. Better must come one day. Yeah. I've been trying a long, long time. Why I can't make it? No one to give me an helping hand. They're only trying to keep I down. But who got no one curse? Thank God I'm not the worst. Oh, my people, can you see? They wanna take advantage of me. Better must come. It must come. Yo! Let it go. Make it wrong. People, listen to this. Over 20 odd years. When you turn and you walk through that door, you makes me cry, my baby. Said you makes me cry, oh darling. When you look at me and you say goodbye, you hurt me so, oh baby. You hurt me so, my darling. When you look at me and you say goodbye, breaking up is hard to do now. Breaking up is hard to do now. You wake up and find another man in your bed. Then you know that breaking up, it's really hard. It's hard to do. Everybody knows it's hard to do. I said I break it down. I said I break it down. I said it's hard to do, yeah. Break it
down.
Yes.
Peter Metro, where you say?
Yes, God Brooks. You do a nice little segment. Respect to the eye. See? Because you don't know some more artists they have for work. But you look like you don't want to do a next one, but nobody got, man. Come on, God, man. You're bad, man. See? Me know why I hear that from Liquor John. When him come a year show, they keep sing an album. See? Right now, we are bringing on the next artist. And the little youth here. Boy, you have to respect him and love him. His mother give him no forward a dance. Yo, welcome on stage, ladies and gentlemen. England, Canada, America, South America, Europe. You know who this? Sky God. Sky God. Boom. Put things on people.
Yeah, pleasant night for everyone with there. You see it? You don't know the whole out there for a tribute to D Brown, Dennis Brown. When you put in the left hand here now. Put in the left hand here for the Prince of Reggae. Yeah, that's the thing there. Night everyone, run me read him them and talk to the people them. I mean I tell you them say badness don't make sense right now. Rowan, big up yourself, Bugs rhythm level. Those are alright. Wake up can't boy tea. I saw me know badness. And love night me like the NC free. Mo want go, they go make money. 5 account a NCB. Scotia love me like money. Budget read it no bother me granny. She know a grandson full of money. So I go and Stanley. We want money plenty. And every day that's a pre. Rich before half century, man, lock the 4 corner, lock the 9X, lock the Ruger, lock off the Celtic. Time for make money, love for make money step. You know, see, I know me never rich yet. Yeah, me walk one mummy Sanja. You know your son a resoldier. Run away, pal, this Peter. Never take program like computer. Right now, me can't want a transmission. No boy can't bring me pan, no mission. Me rather chat the line, yo, big up Sentan. Westmoreland, Nigrin, full of ambition. And this morning the youth them realize it easy if you kill a man than fi make a life. It easy if you go a jail than fi book a flight. But it hard fi rise $1 million. And this morning the youth them realize it easy if you kill a man than fi make a life. It easy if you go a jail than fi book a. Next reading please, cause you know what to say. I don't Peter Metro. Alright, only famous, be on myself. I'm there, I'm a stay I'm a deal with. When I say bounce my rhythm level, I mean friend level and turn you off the rhythm, please. To Lucy, if you join here when you see me up here. Can I tell you, we are you to give people homage and respect. Cause the clip, ramming out the ghetto with me forward farmer. Yes, me may be no good man. Me know the system don't have a done. Ruan, me want be the money done. Hey, Spain town want go and tweet now. Pocket ram like say a brick jam. Jaja, don't take no program. When him have the money back, hey. Angola, Agostone. The youth them fi be la money compound. Stand guard and la coffee tone. Too much so police around. When me say quarry set money make sense. Big up Peter Metro common sense. Igualas them no weak like fence. We have no man who want money go so. The clip. I'm in the ghetto with my forward farmer. Yes, still me need be no good man. Me know the system don't have a. We're gonna go and the girl them so fat and nice and sexy, but not nice, sexy. And they say thing there. But you know the thing, we have to keep it nice and easy. Yeah, no explicit. Cause we have to big up teach them, you don't know a thing, or don't it? Alright, when I tell you now, how will this something where you promise me? You want come walk and malice me. Hey girl, and me fear take off your panty. Me I tell you say me want touch you. Honestly, how will this something where you promise me? You want come walk and malice me. Hey girl, and me fear squeeze up a stiff titty. Me let me talk to her now please. Hey girl, you not tired fi can me. You not tired fi take with me money. Remember me care half of me partner money. And I know the body me never touch it. Nobody tell me but I'm not sunny. Don't call me babes, don't call me no honey. The people them a laugh off of me. Say you and your hungry belly auntie and your mouth me money. Hey girl, I will something where you promise me. You want come walk and malice me. What you say boom? Say boom. Who want spend money I buy? Say boom. I want me read him there. Only say boom. I want the crowd help me sing. Say boom. Say boom. Alright, say boom. Well, as me reach, I did dance, me go so boom. Go in the bar, go order 3 boom. Same time I see a catty, me go so boom. Collect her number, give her what? The next year she reach and me go get 3 condom, get 3. Look how easy me have her. Why some boy have to pay girl? I be your energy, me get from the boom. Me take a slim ass and fatty boom boom. When you want energy, just drink a boom. When you a party, drink come on. I be your energy. Only thing me never find in my vibes. Not because it's a decent night tonight. Twins of twins, big up yourself. Yeah, curly locks and all of them uncle socks. Oh, I'm a rich, I did ask me go so. Go in at the bar, go order tree. Same time I see a catty, me go so. Collect her number, give her one. The next year she reach and me go so. Get 3 condom, get 3. Look how easy me have her. Why some boy have to pay girl fee? I be your energy, me get from the critical slimmers and fatty boom. When you want energy, just drink her. When you a party, drink rum on. I be your energy, me get from critical slimmers. Little John there, big up himself, legendary. Who no wants a second verse? Shh. Me dear me and me, me do a boom. And next girl forward say she want boom. Me ask her, baby, you willing to boom? She say, any style, me know how to boom. And if a boy this me, you me gun boom. My gun Lord, boom, boom, boom. Me nah run, no fence, me nah boom. You a jump a ground, when you hear boom, I be your energy, me get from there.
Bad artist, yo. CL 7454. Move it. I want vehicle that is so I block the tanker. We are bringing the blind man DJ now. Seeing people. Listen, England, Canada, family barbers. That youth you lose him sight about 4 years now. 5 years now. Them call him Baba Shabba. Right here now. We have to bring him on and make the whole world see him. Because he want to do a surgery upon him eye. We are sending him go to Cuba, South America. Pay attention to this youth here. Baba Shabba. Yo.
Pull up. Only man who lie is the last day I jack. Rastafari. A Black History Month this dawn. Yeah, man, I don't know. A Robert up Thursday. O'Neal famous, you know me, I said General Bay. Give thanks to Peter Metro. You see me, I said Major Mackerel. And all of the items in the house, and I give thanks from Marantine to Newell Point. Big up on yourself, Portmore. You see me, leg of the rhythm. Yes, I. Black people, I don't know anything. You see me? Yes, I. Rastafari. All right, hey. Black people. Mighty, 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 mighty. Lord God Almighty, mighty. In the morning, a King Selassie. Don't forget about Marcus Garvey again. Mighty, 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 mighty. Lord God Almighty, mighty. Prince Emmanuel, are we daddy? Mama Miga, are we mommy King Selassie? Me say look how me happy whenever me step out, me clean a dance squad just to impress the urban community. Preaching the love of me, I greet everybody all when the road steep and rocky. Black salvation, yes, so no be happy black people are the first no carbon copy. So how them are the black people so shabby, so what? Only money will I still say I jack. Rastafari, Robert up 30 this, you know. You see me, I say, a Black History Month and a Reggae Month. You see me, in a 2023, this is a black people time. See me, come again. Mighty, 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 mighty. Lord God Almighty, mighty. In the morning, a King Selassie. Don't forget about Marcus Garvey again. Mighty, 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 mighty. Lord God Almighty, mighty. Prince Emmanuel, are we daddy? Mama Miga, are we mommy King Selassie? Look how me happy whenever me step out, me clean a dance squad, dressed to impress the urban community. Preaching in love of me, I greet everybody all when the road steep and rocky. Black salvation, yes, so no fear the black people are the first with no carbon copy. So deal with black people, so shabby, so what me say? Mighty, 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 mighty. Lord God Almighty, mighty. Prince Emmanuel, are we daddy? Mama Miga, we mommy, hey. Mighty, 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 mighty. Lord God Almighty, mighty. In the morning, a King Selassie. Don't forget about my hey. Reggae music burn for your data unity. Who no don't tell the soul for no vanity. Remember our universal love for every family. Black people remember who no sanity. Anywhere no see me I would. The Trinity, the Father, Son, the Holy One. Yes, them are the thing. Come on, black people, we need back for unity. Again, mighty, 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 mighty. Fool. Holy Manuel like Jah. Rastafari. Black people, you don't know. We need each other, you know. And we have to look to each other for each and every strength in this last judgment. You see me? Because the backlash get wicked for us, you know. So we now unite. You know me I say, so let's give me a next rhythm there. Yeah, man. All right, teach, speak up yourself, you know. Black people. Anything that's aye. Come again. One of them don't. One of them that dash it way down, turn it down. One of them that dash it way down, turn it down. Peace and love underneath just the sun. Come and help you one another underneath just the sun. One of them that dash it way down, turn it down. One of them that dash it way down, turn it down. Peace and love underneath just the sun. Come and help you one another under air. From 2018, the last my eyesight, it's like I dropped from skating at the night. To how some I brother them deal with I, some walk past, drive past, whisper past. Big thank to Sean Paul, him look out for eye, and the rest I want them will help I cross the road. Make sure me get on a vehicle real fine, make God get the best of us. One of them that shit way down, turn it down. One of them that shit way down, turn it down. Peace and love underneath that the sun come we help one another. Hey, you see the blind man, the deaf man, the cripple man, the dumb man, the no food man, the no one man, the invalid, the handicap. Blind must be led, hungry must be fed, naked, clothes, ignorant, but paper. It protect it, don't fall a pool. Only man will lie, still I say I Jah. Rastafari, look over Bubble Shower EP, you know. At any time in a black people. You see what I say? Yes, I. Peter, Metro, give thanks, you know. You know me, I say, only famous. See me? Yes, I. Noah, big up yourself. You want to do one more? I Shanti. Yes, I.
You want to do one more Bubba Shabba, so you get all the money pull up there. But the girl I give, but you don't realize, so you lose your sight, you know? Saying, so heal her up.
Yes, baby, give thanks, you know me, I say? Yeah, man, we give thanks to each and every one. I look out for I and I, you know me, I say? And all of the musicians them in the house, you know. Just show me I say. All right, this is that one here. That one your name. Now is the time, Rastafari time, Rastafari family, we have to unite. Have to unite, for the God them rejoice, from the God them rejoice, so you know we are go nice. Now is the time, Rastafari time, Rastafari say black people unite. Have to unite, the Babylon get cut off, Babylon get cut off, so you know we are go night. Tell you about time, revelation, tell you about the wickedest, Revelation 5, tell you about the 3B. Remember King Selassie, I saw them in the east. King Selassie, I saw Mr. Sharp and Bebel. Remember King Selassie, I never lose no buckle. Remember man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word out of the God mouth. Now is the time, Rastafari, say black people unite. Have to unite to Babylon get cut off, so you know we are go. Selassie I Jah, Rastafari, rub it up 30. Give thanks to them. Yes I, mighty.
Hey! Me say now is the time, Rastafari time. Pull up, Bubba Shabba. Me love how you deliver for your blind youth, saying respect. Me I get a young artist here now. The youth here, him name Soviet. You know about the Soviet Union? You know about it? All right, him name Soviet. Young artist, put things from people.
Nah, man, don't have time, man. Nah, kodo. Your father met you. And I daddy that I hell nah. Yo, I ain't got. Don't see your all right, don't time. Me no see nothing like this. Coulda pre-dark, but me coulda write it. Dark, what the pre coming like my sidekick. Yo, cheers, me have to get a sidekick. Everybody sidekick. Dark, me no write it. Metro have a sidekick. The place go up Mikey. Twins get a pre-dark. Everybody like, yo, Sana, you can't stop it. Dark, you better turn up. Me no see no boy with the bolt now run up. Anywhere me go, all of me dog them corrupt. we run the place, yo, little John. No boy can't diss me to me a little man. Yo, Maka, we run the place, if I create the boy could have played the, hear me no hear the, knock it like 3-door, 4-4, clean no, me no play around dark like Seymour. Yo, cause you want the pre-nor. Nah, if you say nothing for them, y'all up my teeth or me make shit turn or hardcore, C-core. Still up on a rhythm and I bang it like 3-door. Pull it, make it stand and make it act like it. Tamil like it, taste like mat like it. Needle like a ass catch it. Y'all them up with tablet, it taste like nabbit get it. Yo, twin them now win. Don't see, said them love it talking. But me not cheater, bulldog barking. And boy drop that, everybody can see. Yo, make a white free, you not see the dark sin. And we are run the place dog, and not talking. Yo, if I know me a addy, lock down the place dog, me not see no squaddy. Yo, tell her walk one, you not see me happy. I'm in the inner rebel tea and I will have. Yo, I pray now.
Wheel out! Hold on the platform, you elevate every youth. Every man have a chance, but some man are going like them want bully the thing. You hear me artist? Sing!
Yo, me a jack. You know a long time we not free down. Money for you make a what them a fi free now. Tell up for you when a bubble for the G down. Oh, dancehall, sweet sound down. Would I like to me like? Nah, if you say nothing that oh me like. But me put the car in a overdrive. Them never want see we do it out and nice. Yo, Rasta you take the overtype. Them can't stop it in you see the out and life. Yo, J.A. at the place where me come from. Now this a man from town or junction. Why you feel Kingston full of gunman? Poverty nothing no dark. You see we up man, boom. That one ya drop like 3 bomb. Me name Soviet. You know the region, I want Kremlin, me full of demon. Nobody play with the thing, you know see plan.
Bad artists. And some like when the little young artists, because you know say decatalyze and non-alkaline, you know, don't it? Alright. So watch I'm gonna give you one more. Put things from people.
Never tell a lie in a parliament show. I mean I say I'm still big up for themselves in a father. I mean I say a rebel to your little John. Alright then, let me tell you about the elders of dancehall. And them make this a Columbia can't fall. No boy can't play around when it all rise wave gun ball. Yo twin, we still a win dog. I owe them dog, me no see them me no. Curly lock stick a boy dog, all the thing go. No play with uncle, you know the thing dog. Yo chatty, yo color. Who them I talk to? Me no see you, I know. I me no say hello, dog. Who say hello? How we run the place? Yo, tell a dog, follow. Me not fi shut a man, me gal kick him and stab up. We run the place. Who them I try bad up? Yo, Nadiga, me the evil officer, you heard, they know my body now. Me nah no sense in me head, they know my body now. Yo, physical, me creator, all the body now. Cheap that. Which pack? Me never have to send for ya cheap black. Yo, tell her rapid up your impact. Lyrics compact, yeah, the thing shot. Yo, daddy go, Alida. Me a touch them gal inna the Alida. I me no play around another Lios. Yo, fashion what the hell them a chatting up.
I listen your key leader. Can't make a rising clock at all, but you deliver. Yo! Kushkash. Oh gosh. Kushkash.
Here me the dance on Thursday more life more strength. All who know say you go hard, let me see you now here. Cause them can't stop over this year, you know. Big up Crossroad. Them have to pass road. Anyway, gash out. Peter Metro tell them this. Alright, tell them this. Boom out, but God the rest. That's why me have the foreign and the yard just. The youth are rather more running around. Me got the poop of it, the youth them go fatherless. From dancehall out to yard bless. Fire get ready na the saga. Me want Ben Zombie man not a ladderless. The money will not send the yard, yes. Hey get to you, dash road. No make them stop you. No make them get you down. That will protect you. In everything you done, no make them stop you. Do not make them fling you down. No make them stop you. Do not make them. Alright, them can't stop the youth. Them call the youth. Them come to rise. Say I say I me praise and me bun and take Christ. Who them a try to check with them got John device. So you me a place when again I no compromise. Them tell Marcus Garvey peppies. Hold up that the two Lucy. Start back one of the one of me clarity and turn way. Holy man, they were like say I say I jar.
Rastafari. Big up you them from country. Country, me say. All them man know say you love pum pum. I mean you say pum pum. Pum pum. Say pum pum. All right, sit down. She put her foot up on me shoulder and tell me say fi force it up. Put up in a fire. That means say man I roast it up. Reach on the top of her voice until she roast it up. Say good gosh, me say you send it up. Hi, put up on me shoulder and tell me say fi force it up. Put up in a fire. That means say man I roast it up. Reach on the top of her voice until she roast it up. Say good gosh, me say you send it up. All right, gal. Hey gal, me ram prof. The plank tough. Man, we make your little belly just cramp up. Girl, in a me back away the yoko juice tank up. Give it to your heart, me no yam buff. Rasta no wiki. We no freaky. Now put me mouth when no gal a pee. Gal is tight me father, but they call kitty. Something tight, gal kitty squeeze. Hold out.
Me love how you clarty. Well, Kush Cash. Yo, Mr. Flavor. Mr. Flavor, you always a close the show, you know. Mr. Flavor, you do your thing or you want me give him peace. What you want to do? You want to do your thing or you want me give him peace? All right, you take it, Mr. Flavor.
I'm Mr. Flavor, you know. Tell you, you're here. Play it low. The youths them. Hey. Oh, you know I'm dead. And I be of yourself, try change your ways. Rearrange yourself, tie your lace. Buckle your belt, no I'm dead. Be of yourself, you know I'm dead. And I be of yourself, try change your ways. Rearrange yourself, tie your lace. Hey, buckle your belt, one drop. Heaven or hell, which one you prefer? Kill people, your greatest pleasure. Shot fall like rain, heavy weather. You are your one boss, hard stepper. Set your one trendsetter. Can't chat to you, not even your grandmother. What? Spill blood, no like Duns River. Yeah, me here say you box down your big brother. And you run down all the pastor with your long dagger. How the devil you was serve? No, that can't judge that. Your father say college, you say you can't bother. You not play football, no love soccer. You wanna what lit, no good runner. Say you're not join police, you're not turn soldier. Say you no real spy, not informer. So you no left your gun, real gangster. You pay your one with your whistle a lighter. And the peak on your boss it do. I don't know, youth. Me want some money. Your time.
Yeah, original dancehall Thursday. Big up on yourself. Rastafari. Hey, Major Mackerel. Yeah. All of the people, all of the herbalists, them come in here, no man say no ganja, ganja we say no. Let it go. Herbs man, you're not system man, herbs man. Prefer stay upon the straight and the narrow. Now go round no curve man, no. Ice man, ice and a pray. And I smoke the weed every day. Babylon won't lead we astray. And I say it's not okay. Then no one, we burn the herbs and what the heights no. Free we sell from pollution. All they want us to do, live in a take it down, I'm tell them something again. You see the weed, you know what? We can't stop, burn the good ganja. I'm just a conscious ganja smoker, can't stop, burn the good ganja. Give me fit. Breakfast and dinner, I smoke from me eyes, they are 2 pint. Remember when me burn up the first joint? Take a puff water full up in a bow ties. Yeah, hear me? Give thanks, you know, cause you don't know, and I'm gonna sing something for the ladies, them. Peter Metcher, big up yourself, your foundation. Yeah, hear me? This one is for the ladies. Girl, I want you for myself. Don't wanna share you with no one else. Wanna go to bed with you at night. What you say, Elder?
Lord of mercy. All ganja man. Yeah, Pablo. Me say me love, me say me yeah.
Me love me ganja. I feel love profit, me say that in a whistle. You cut it up fine, me sit in a chalwa. Oh, tell them Mr. Pablo send me in the era. Oh, tell them Mr. Pablo come to tell you so far. Me big, me bad, me know me work hard. Me big, me bad, me know me work hard. Me bend up for many and me pray unto God. Me give all of the love when me really hard. Tired of you up on the cross, just to you and the eye. But tell them Pablo ranking so me not tell a lie. You put in the sky, it a go fall in yeah. But tell them Pablo ranking coffee. Lord have mercy.
All right, Toulouse, brother. And the final artist is now. We are sent out upon YouTube. What's your name, sister? Madeleine, all the way from Italy. Come in, Madeleine. Catch her upon YouTube. Watch her, Madeleine from Italy.
Give thanks. Yes, I. Original dancehall style, Thursday, Kingston, yes, all the vibes. Madeleine in the house, what's up? Say, abracadabra, open sesame. This is the spell that you want from me. Salakabula, bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. This is the spell that I got for you. I say, abracadabra, open sesame. This is the spell that you want from me. Salakabula, bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. This is the spell that I got for you, boy. This is the song of the magic spell that goes twisting and turning in your heart as well. Yes, I say, abracadabra, open sesame. This is the ganja you want from me. Salakabula, bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. This is the spliff that I got for you. Smoking this ganja and feeling good. This is the vibe that I got for you. Listen reggae music, feeling the tune. This is the vibe you got to do. Abracadabra, open sesame. This is the ganja you want from me. Salakabula, bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. This is the spliff that I got for you. Give thanks, Dennis Brown, to be here on this planet one day, to be inspired every hour with your music, and give us the vibe every day. Give thanks.
Why, voila, pull up. Why you take so long to come on stage? Why you take so long? You were shy, you're shy or what? That's why you took so long, all right? Well, I understand, no problem. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. That was the final artist. Thanks to everybody who come out and support Original Dancehall Thursday, Rubber Dub Thursday. My name is Peter Metro. Good night, good morning.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.